ayikho into masingasimbuze ayibeke esandleni ukuthi yipi into esenzile yipi hit song nje ekhona nje uyenze 2025 lo muntu akana moto for sure hlala kubo at least Massive ahlala kubo uphumile uhamba obhanda
kuba ngangikhahlele
hayi bangakhahlela bangacosha khona
isikole nje into enga exist nje Nginganyami nje ngiye esikoleni ngizongibhiloni
angeke silunge ngesikele mina Saturday ngegigini hola same time
yeah
Sukufisa kanjani kuba nokela
planela
ngiyayibelieve lento
ukorapa ngisho nekamera
bana yonke indawo boy ufake namacondom la emkamelweni
baba sike sakoro
ungathatha necondom ungathatha necondom uyifake phansi komqamelo
yashayiwe ibrand angithola yona let them talk yashayiwe 2014 you understand like ibrand yashayiwa yabhalwa 2014 because of lento leyo iqale 2014 ekhu angithola iminyanga yavaya feli brand yayekwa ya relax
but konke ngifuna ukuklarify yona feel like konke ingidinga like clarification kuyo there was this thing that was trending ukuthi uma Silva ubambisa uJomo inkunzi it's true lento le yavele umazeni nontanga siqale la
I think ngoma last year G gale ke mo follow G gale ke mo latella anthola yonke into ujibe kayenza bengihlezi ngibhekile angithola G inspired me a lot G Mashego inspired me a lot njengoba ngibona ngirasa kuma video maybe if I promote a song angithola ngite pina rona itswile in those things I took them from G Mashego angithola I saw ukuthi lezi zinto lezi zikheji angithola G Mashego makazishazi yahamba
ngimsabi ukhuluma noJomo yini yezwa boy ukhuluma noJomo yini mfana wami omncane
ngikhuluma wena
baba awatshele bathini before ngibatshela athini lamathini wasesenzile ayikanti bebathini intwana yami tshela mina bebathini labo sisi.
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode, and I'm not rolling alone. I'm going with
What is up, beautiful people? Kamala Muspusiso Hlacha, but I am formerly known as Sibusiso1. And guys, today we have amazing guests, guys. Who are we here with today?
Snabobane.
Khululeke halala na ke go poqalisa ukumjoma. Amjomani awatshele boy.
Hola bafethi top boy Dario Chomokopo ikhana la 500 imember ye Super United maqhamona kudawo magistrin simino more.
Nasiba ke mfana lo namfana G Power, the only one. It's your favorite cousin the real Massive Mshination Operation Makonya sonke. But born to be famous. Babangafuni.
Abayeke.
Tangwa.
And there's Emma Silva. After their podcast I see now. People were like they were saying funny words about lento yakhe broadcast. It's like they are used to this thing it's a podcast.
Yeah.
So why do you call it like it's a broadcast when why would phela wena uthi podcast uthi wena broadcast?
Uyazi umlomo wami uhlezi ujahile man. Umassive. Umlomo wami umassive. Funa izinto engathi ziyagijima man. Ezirofa uyayizwa na broadcast.
Ayakuthola awukutshela uthi abengile. Then ngiyabona uhlele number plate GP Masilva.
Batsiba. The only one ever failed. Ngigimila tsiba. The reason ngishayelele number plate lena le moto engihamba ngayo nje bazobona abantu bami ukuthi Kyoli.
Uye.
Kyoli. They know.
But in fact there's this thing ukuthi like I don't know Sbu. Kunalento yokuthi bathi like the minute like you brand like your car or clothes or whatever, especially like when it comes to lente imoto nan yabo, it's like now people know it's okay Leo Masilva, even if like they wanna hijack you, like they wanna like they're like people like who are planning something for you, like it's easy for them like
ukuthi hijack bani hotman bakasebu.
So uzama ukuthi fana nokuthi uba target.
Yeah, like yes, it's like you're not playing it safe, dog.
I think
abazam zokalana tlo hijack re bone
azuzu
le ka sebu angeke
asibadinga abantu abathatha ama charts sifuna umuntu owazi ukuthi wenzani
phela Hotman mina ke tsamayekile one ake tsamayekile one too powerful ake vayekile one so angeke balungu angeke Hotman
then legama lelo Masilva lusukela vafeli
hayi what a dope nice question what a dope nice question acaba lisuke ba Hotman Fere mina esigela la ngiphuma khona obvious bekuyi prepare ama gold nama silver nani so mina bengibona man ukuthi kufakwa ama gold ngafaka cala ngalahlela igold eli1 ngafaka bengine gold lapha before ngifake silver bengine gold afile ngafaka ne silver yangithola mangifaka ne silver anyabona man gold lena man ngathi siyaguganyana thi ngifake silver ngafaka silver mangicela ukufaka silver bis2 ngayifaka bis3 ngabona man sezi3 ama silver mas lezinto lezi ngathi ngachange username yami ngathi ma silver yaqala ukugeta influence from there Masilva ngatrenda from Facebook Masilva ngazibiza Masilva same time before even ngicula yangithola yeah
njengoba sofaka amasilva ngaka no
bekuyi brecha lapha eKaslamo khona ukubona ukuthi ubani ufaka i3 ngiyofaka 6
khona bahloma like
abakhona baqwele nibona ukuthi uyama ufaka ezibhaya la
manje akwazi ukucabanga nje ukubuyela to ama gold manje
angeke
phela seka amasilva manje
abo ma gold
sekazoba ama gold sekazoba ama gold but lento lena like don't you feel like mhlambe like when you grow up like it's going to affect you in a way because amazinyo ngathi bayawakhatha ngithi abawakhatha amazinyo like mabakuhloma
yabawakhatha fe
yeah like affected let's say now so madala ne and awukwazi ukudla inyama they say maybe or like now it's like they are requesting ukuthi you must take out like lama silver wakho or lama gold akho like wouldn't like affect you in any way that thing
I think it would
Cabanga lezo Hotman okwamanje ngizazi okwamanje kuyayiwa manje kuyayiwa Hotman
makuphuma amazinyo nje semfampatha
yeah
makuphuma amazinyo inyama semfampatha
and I feel like thina ama 2K Jelivari like I think that's how we are living life now dog like it's like we don't think like for the future we only think for now yabona manje like he's just like that I'm not portraying him like as a bad person or what even like me dog like it's the same bro like nami ngicabanga kanjalo ukuthi yazokuthini no mfethu obviously ngicabanga ukuthi mangivayile nyonkwara ungenzeni or like whatever that fun that I'm having like I don't think of like the future it's rare uthola ukuthi ngiba like let me be extra cautious for the future nana and I think it was affected lento leyo going forward dog
it will but I feel like yabona abantu abaningi abacabanga ifuture too much they don't live life yes enjoy
thank you
like uma uhlezi ucabanga ukuthi what if angeke uzi-enjoy into oyenzayo yabo sesobona khona sasebancane sobona khona
boy ucangana ne-future boy uyadlala boy what if uvuka kusasa ucangana ne-future yenza into ofuna ukuyenza i-future yenze manje
that's why Shebe shit bekathi phila saphila boss waka Shebe shout out to Hotman laka
uyancane la Hotman
amabena ke makatathatha yabona Hotman itsingenze kanje
yeah
yabona le night le
yeah
ke mabena enze ngithi naye ke bafethu
serious
Shebe shit the only one phela uShebe ushayela yabo so mina ngabona ukuthi hayi boma kuzoba ipain man mara ithi ngibeke somewhere ngithola ithi ngibe angayilahlela la mara bekuyipain still mara ngathi yazini la out le nyancawo amabena ke mpya shout out Hotman laka dango hello
yani but Shebe shit like I feel like Shebe shit nafana like he's like it's like bro like that guy is a living icon dog
Shebe shit
bamncane abantu
yeah like
yo
special ngaye
the last guest kade khuluma nangaye futhi naye ne bhekana manje niyamthanda Shebe shit
mina
especially like people like I feel like most people like abakulenkombo Shebe shit like is an idol of all these people
amabena ke mpya acava wangimrespecta futhi
Why?
Hotman bekangena TikTok Hotman bekangena Instagram Hotman bekangena Facebook maka trenda TikTok
serious
une power Shebe shit amabena you la bene Facebook kuphela maka trenda ku TikTok Instagram Shebe beka trend uShebe azashaya ne video athi naki na Instagram akuna TikTok in maka une Facebook phela maka trenda ku TikTok ama video akhe aqwele kanje ku TikTok aphuma ku Facebook baya screen record amabena ke mpya
ungathina uthani mangathiwa mhlawumbe uhlangana naye
ngahlanya
nje like what would you say to him
Hotman laka umpya ontjehulu ungabhuqelana ngamadoda Mabhena ke mbia. Ababhaye bebamzonda. Khona phela le December lo shebe shit enhle. Like beka disturb like amapiano kanje. Angazi it was last year or last of last year.
Yeah, you're right.
Ale abefikile ngamakiki befikile. Yo, abefikile ngamakiki le yaba. Yo, angeke. Mabhena ke mbia bafethu. Shout out to Hotman. Nako respect aposwana. Anako respect mbia.
Okay. Jomo, I feel like abantu ababhaya mfethu. Awacavi wena, yangithola. Yeah, umjomano bani and usuka fana legama uJomo mfethu. Lusukela va.
Ngothi ngiqale ngilandise ke. Bengiqala ngabo umsholozi. After bomsholozi because ikhanda lami isuke president now ngayetshetha mhlawumbe umkhulu wami uZuma. Asivile lapho so ngadlala ibhola yabo lonto le.
Yeah.
So manje mangidlala ibhola, hayi anganciki. Potsho ngangifaka goal nje khona lise goal. Ngiyacava so yaqala lapho ebholeni igama lika Jomo. After lapho ke ngangena ku TikTok.
Bona ngakho lapho usadlala ibhola.
I think boma 17. Contact iqale ngina 17 akhona 2023. Sebeyazi iminyaka yami ningaphaphela.
Phela uJomo mncane uJomo.
Mina ngimncane kabi kuphela ukuthi nje inqondo yami indala.
Ilengana nekhathi.
Yeah.
Nje kanjalo nje there's nothing more about me ukuthi nje ngibe soccer player nje kuphela kaduma TikTok. Yeah.
Ukhulele va because there was a time ngitshela ukuthi like wena kahle I think people don't know ukuthi wena like originally from Durban angithi.
Yeah from Kwamashu kwasi ngikhulele khona ke yonke into ngenze khona ufunda isikole nana engabona ukuthi isikole akusona sami isikole mina.
Serious?
Hayi angizolela ngesikole mina ngizolela izinto natural njengami. Bazoqhamuka nje abanye bazongifostela nje. Suka endleleni yami ngiyazi ukuthi ngifunani mina. Futhi ngala.
Yini like bonga perform grand scale or kanjani or
bengipapa kuphela nje into mayibonisa kuyona yakho kuyona yakho.
Serious?
Hayi. Angayeka nje isikole angifuni nje ukufihlela abantu abasekhama bebuka la if ufeel ukuthi isikole akusona sakho uze uthi utalented. Khupha into yakho iyona into ecanga ukuthi iyona. Phela abanye abantu abamnyama angazi ngayibeka kanjani. Basenze ukuthi singabelieveli ukuthi silile izinto esizona. Yabo. So mina ke ayekho umuntu ozoqhama uzongitshela ukuthi ini kanjani. Angeke ngithathe advice kumuntu ongazi ukuthi ngoba ngila namhlanje kuthathe kangakanani. Le nto nje ngayisho.
Manje la okhulele khona eDurban ukhule nobani?
Ngihlala nogogo no uncle. No sisibaba cousin.
Ningaki?
Yo boy. I need boma 9. Hlala ku 4 room. Yeah, 9.
9.
Yeah.
They're not led to you ukuthi usuke like eDurban to Joburg and ufika ngaliphi fade mofika eJoza.
So let's manje khona ma out ngizwabala. Mina uTheyo uStars ulethu. So wathi ulethu asimfaya seJoza yabo. Safika sahlala kahle la. Obviously ke kwafika isikhathi samarent sokuthi ngivaye indaba zamarent nanani ngavaya ngahlala komunye umchita lapha neFlats Ntsumzulu sahlala naye almost boma 3 days angafeel ukuthi hayi man akuyona into yami ukuthi ngihlale nabantu fanele ngithola abantu efanele ngihlale nabo abazungunderstand should ukuthi kuthiwa ngivaye ngibele Durban okay ngihlale ngiyi-1 rooftop should ukuthi ngisabhema izolo for sure bebengazi ukuthi ngibhema izolo ngisabhema izolo qhamuka Steve la Hotman la mfethu yabo maqhamuka labuza why uhleliwe ngamthethe ngisabhema izolo athi hayi ngiyabuya lapho behamba nenichiri yakhe ahambe olanda izolo abuye after lokho engibuza ukuthi ngifike noba kanjani ngamchaza istory ephethu kanje anginento ukulala wathi okay sifana simzohlala eroomini simsokhuluma sakhuluma ke ngamthethe hayi ngiswede phela ngibaleke ekhabelele nani kanje wasakhuleka so tshela mithi vala lapha avayitshira ngimazi lo muntu lo vala lapha ngiphayela ngiyadla emva lapha ngageza hayi ngakusasa ngithatha ngise students mina ngazi next ngomusic automatically zenzeka izinto after lapho ngisaqhubeka laba abanye abakavayi ngisaqhubeka ngerecord sebethatha ngangivaya ngeDurban ngabathetha ngivaya mina ngiyasala ayizangilwisa ngathi hayi ngiyasala ngasala shothi manje ngasuka eDrobheni manje singohlala eSoweto kuba Steve ngafika ngihlala khona la ube singithinta imic ngishuthi ngikhuluma kamnandi yasula shothi manje mangihlala eDK ngihlala noma ka Steve labo bengiphathe Grand Fest yonke into nje apha ngithini ngizingibuyele ekhaya abangibuyele ekhaya abangikhulumisa lapho mind you bengihlala noSmiso edrobheni noKing yabo mind you ngiyamonetize abacave ekhaya ukuthi ngizongenela imali ngakusasa ngalo lusuku ngifike ngalo angenele imali hamba ubuy gross ngabuye abatshela yazini mhlambe mina ngeke ngisahlala la isikhathi eside ngizohamba ngihlala eGoli kokwavuma ke shisa impepho ngavala ngoba senthi sengilana ke ngoba ngilana namhlanje nakhona ngeke bayiwisi confident yami never mina ngisho noma bengeze bebaningi beze bebangaka uzo president I don't care.
So wena like usizwa abantu bangaphandle out here like nje facts like kufika kwakhe ijuzi blome nabantu ongabacavi
yonke
wena
into aphansi ngilomuntu enguyena during ngahlangana neTitanic Music umusa nothida saspana kukhona noJunior 2.0 no One Chain Production kahle igama lakho Andy saqhubeka saspana ngahlangana noMasiva ngomhla ka 31 December sahlona sendaweni inyanga emva lapha siqhubeka saspana sajona uTivoli along the way konje ba umunye osijoyinile
and uyabona ngalezo 31 beng eshintsho
baya
ikikilam bengile cancelile yabo enhle hayi ukuthi bengile cancelile belingahamba ngagreen bengibizo u2 short yabona u2 yabo
kade untanga umcava
kade ngiringa naye leya kade
umcava nini untanga
yo 2 short kudala kade ngiringa naye mina ikikilam libhayizile ngamtshela ngathi macala ngeke ngikhona ukidla mina ngithola amaplan avaya kanjani esidini la kwathi intwana yami nginegigi fede wena zwakala yangithola ngithumela location ngamthumela location intwana offline 2 short khalil tsutsi man hayi now uyazi lona ngathewa uyazi now uyazi
I'm sure laziqiniso nami ngiyazi lonto leyo message ngayibona
yabo
ebiyawo
la yangiphayizisa
so okay before sijumpa kakhulu kwa 2 short like ukuhlangana kwenu nihlangane like take me to the moment nihlangana
What year was it? Last year.
Sihlangane nge31 December noJomo.
Jo. Imanje.
Uthi short makangibhayizisa kanje uJomo uyangibiza. Athi izwakala istudio. Ngithi Jomo uhleli nabubani. Yabo. uJomo ngitshela tangi linamajita fele inani. Maka ngingathembi mani ngidami mani uJomo mani ungibizela kuphi. Yabo angithembi. Ey ngathi yacava yini? Ithi ngivaye fele because anayo influence untwana angeke angibizele endaweni ezonke. Angathatha vele ibolt ngayela mangifike ngihlangana namanye amajita nami sengithukile manje ngibona uJomo ngithi Jomo kuphi i31 amaplan wamabhayize wonke amaplan wamabhayize anginaplan anginamali anginafokol i31 kushawa ama cricket baba yimi noJomo sihlele sofeni kanje ngi31 sihlele sofeni kanje yabona ngaphandle kushisha ama cricket happy new year inhliziyo yami ibhlungu angazi umuntu mina kule handle bengazi uJomo kuphela namajitara ayibo my 9 10 ngoJomo
so uye like untanga ukintroduce like kubo Titanic Music nabo bani
yangithola uJomo
so angitshela mfethu there are allegations ukuthi wena iyejuzi you were trending on TikTok ukuthi iyejuzi awunandlo kwasha wacima isuka lapho lento lekuthiwa uhlala e-studio
uphendula before
bana
othi ngibeka nje abanye abantu bajethi bangcono nabanye abantu bazosiphaphela for example lo muntu osho lonto le kwimanje ngazi sikhuluma iqiniso ayikho into like ngayibeka kanjani ayikho into masingasimbuze ayibeke esandleni ukuthi yipi into osenzile yipi hit song nje ekhona nje uyenze 2025 lo muntu akana moto for sure hlala kubo ekulist Masiva ahlala kubo uphumile uhamba obhanda
ithi ngibeke grand Fezela boy I know you the one saying that thing boy wena inhlakwena abana wena boy angifuni ukukhuluma isibhaya ngawe nje ngiyangithola mina ngicoshwanga kithi boy first thing ngicoshwanga kithi nje mina mangiphumile kithi ngiyophanda nawutshelile ku TikTok ngiyophanda yangithola mangiphumile endlini ngiyophanda boy ukuthi ngidle studio nani sothi anginandlu boy ayenzwa unendlu wena ke awushuthele reply to le video shuthele indlu yakho sibone mina kithi abangicoshanga ukudla grand ngidla grand ngilala grand yonke into grand endlini yangithola so mina nje yami ungangiphapheli boy enhle kangisafuna ukugringa ngalentwana le man, change the topic, something massive man. Hey,
yeah it sizobuyela ku
Yeah.
awutham besikundaba yakho Fede yase like relocating from
Durban to
DBN
Johannesburg.
to Joburg like in Fethu office at Durban man I feel like abantu abaningi like they focus ukuthi hayi Jozi it's where people most blow up nakhona eThekwini mfethu kunabantu abafana nabotira nanani you've never tried like those things like awukaze mhlambe nakhona uhlangana nabantu ozofila like ukuthi ay maybe I can make it like in my hometown or whatever before like you took a decision to come to Joburg.
Fede khona event ngingabizwa kuyona it's ink experience ba yeah ink iqonda ukuthi intuzuma kwamashu unanda konje okay yeah kwamashu yeah lo event le was it's the biggest event at Durban so ngafika la nga performer Fede ngaqeda ngahlangana nawo wonke ama artist ngazama ukukhuluma nabo party akubanga namehluko ngathi hayi lezi zadlala lezi ngihamba mina la like lokho ngifile lento uqala onyaka ukuthi fanele ngivaye safisikasi ukuthi ngivaye ngavaye
Isigele bososiqedile lapho noma isigele ushiye phakathi.
Ngiphume ku break ngathi ngiyabuka ngisophuza amanzi thatha isikhwama sami kha
Share grade 1.
share grade 10
Grade 10. Oh. But ama out asuke brave nje kanjani nesibu.
You
Like abazali bathini like into engiyibuza yona. Okay, wena sibu think about it dog. If it was you telling your parent ukuthi I mean I'm leaving school, I'm doing content nan. How would your mom react?
Yo, yeah. Ngaqala hey.
Enzima
Mina
leyo
the decision inzima. So mama mengareacta kanjani?
Yeah.
Sho bangangikhahlele.
Hayi bangakhahlela bangaxosha khona.
Olukutshela something
And
Yeah.
majority of my black parents
ayaxoshana.
Tshela ukuthi if afuna ukuya esikolweni
Hamba ufuna umsebenzi.
hamba ufuna
Like there's this thing
umsebenzi,
ukuthi like mongagelezanga nan like you won't make it and that thing I guarantee you
I
will
know
not
Sash,
succeed.
the Casper
Spani.
Bheka uCasper.
Oh, okay, spuva mfethu.
How?
Ki ba feditse sekolo ba re kopa di wallet. A re go le gaya le wa Rafela. Go le betha ka yona. A go le betha ka yona.
Yeah.
kayifanele afethu uzoqeda isikole mina matric uthi uhlala endlini isikole nje into enga exist nje mina nganyami nje ngiye esikoleni ngizongibhiloni
Angeke silunge ngesikele. Mina Saturday ngegigini hola same time. Ngasikhathi.
Kahle yini kahle because I feel like sibu according to when like to ama gents hlamba ngithi yabona ukuthi athi no myself athi myself like I know uyahamba uyagika uthola imali same time but more espanini remember ukuthi there's a payday nan and there's this saying yokuthi like abantu abaspanayo like abathola imali monthly yiba abantu abanganamali compared to abantu abathola imali like any day phela uma Silver can get money any day or can get money like beke lento le imenza ukuthi abe nemali wena ulinda demand end
Isheni inkinga leyo nto ya. I-question yakhe ithini?
so like my question is
Ene laba mantente imali yabo phela fast food.
ubona sebecela thina ngibela futhi sisebenzele wena
Bakhuluma iqiniso yazi. I feel like lento leyo kusebenza ne i-cycle man lento le. Umela imali mawuyithola ihambe same time then you wait for the next end of the month and it's a cycle that continues yabo. So at least le eyokuphanda le abayenzayo bona uthola imali wenze sure ukuthi ukwazi ukucover everything then uthole futhi enye imali same time yabo. Akusinto ukuthi umele futhi another month ukuthi uthole izinto yabo. Yeah.
okay and then when I'm a Silver as much as I'm fit to hold money from now and again like do you plan like with the money how does it goes because remember there's like there's a certain perspective that I want to view here young tall because like it's like obviously umuntu man enduba like already uyazi ukuthi i-budget yami imake lezi zinto lezi so I'm trying to understand like from a person othola imali like any day of the month ukuthi yena
ume kanjani.
Yeah. I mean acava company mina ngiyasave. Cause khona into engifunayo kahle yangithola. Yona izovela ku social media ngithola ngeke ngiringe. Uhle sibaloye enhleke abantu bathwaka bathuka dibhelo ukinthorisa khona ngokuba di plans zakona ngithola. So mina imali ngiyasave afini yangithola. Ngiyasave. Let's say ngithola 1000 rand ne and then ngithatha 5 enye 5 ngiyasave yangithola. And then le 5 le yiyo ngizoyenzela buma ngithumela ama crazy nyuku and then nala ngibloma khona obvious ngenza iplan ukuthi kudliwa angithola easy.
And then wena Chomo,
ngizwa bhuti
wena mawuthola imali wenzani wena?
same thing applies njami
Wena uyasave.
angaseva njami nginaso isikhathi ukuthi ngikhiphe imali ngifaya amabeleni ekhaya bazodlani ke singikhiphe imali nganezichiri
And uJomo uyahola ku Facebook mina ngiholi yo.
Njengoba wenza ama-views angaka wena ku-Facebook
Facebook.
ufayisiswa yinda
Eish mina ifone yami. Amisho ngabe angazi nginemalini no. La Facebook la span.
no
Shamanya ama-million lapha ku Facebook angifuna ucamba manga.
wena like you make money from Facebook dog. Facebook is mana ne
yeah too much like ngathenga umoto ngathenga umuzi yeah malala phela nje have to work harder
yeah ne
seven consistent post
upost
yeah ya nje sengizongena ku YouTube nje ngikudala bazazokhala hawe ma
then awungitshele with this name yakho ka Cupcake no head office how do you get those names now because now you are known as uJomo vele because of nalento yokuthi vele unekhanda cool in whatever yathola
Yes.
basho kanjalo mfethu everyone say that uJomo kunamanga
Yes.
yeah it's not a legit baba hayi baba it's not baba
okay Fede Cupcake yaqala ngokuthi ngifake dye pink ekhanda yabo babe ikhasilami lokho bethi ikhanda isinkwesiphi ayibo isinkwesipink ithi haya bazongibhedela khona umuntu onekhanda ngathi isinkwesipink mina ngiyicupcake mina cupcake mina man intombi zabo zangisaba wena manje khona uzojameza ubuya le podcast it's wow this guy damn yeah nje yeah the head office I voice over engayishaya kwi stress yeah mina ngi head office ngithi lesi stress asiphele so abantu from there bathatha lo gamba at head office ngalithatha ngalisebenzisa nje
so wena kahle kahle was busy ngalela gama kahle kahle indirectly
it's indirect phela Wona umkhonto sometimes ukwazi ekhaya ukuze bazokhuluma yabona into leyo
then abazali bavajo
time la shona lesingizala this year lishona next year my old lady wahamba ngalonyaka la wazohlala la eGoli ngihlala nogogo from there ngikhula la Durban even engafoni ingenzi next uma yonke into enzakala empilweni lesizathu yabo
so umcave kahle kahle
ngiyamcava sengigrand naye bese ngekho grand from all these years sebesisaba grand nje manje this year yanje recently nakhona cause ngibonile ukuthi once wabayembele izinto esemumva ubambe izinto zakho ukuthi like izinto zakho empilweni zibe grand
ivakadayining
boy fanele into zakho ivuleke bemhlophe once waba nezinto ezivalelile izinto zakho ngezihambe grand ngendlela the way ufuna ngayo bese ngiyexabana nomshito ngixoba unyawo la ngizothula because angifuni ukureact ngalendlela le ukuthi usanda ngixoba unyawo ngimtshela hayi njaya bheka man nazi inkathi uzongixoba unyawo ngithandanga lonto isho something ngomunye umuntu lonto le ukuthi awumzelanga ngalento le high pitch umuntu ufana ukukhuluma phansi nomunye umuntu warefu ukuthi wayekhule ethethiso seniyalwa ke manje ngcono ukhulume naye phansi umuntu into engibhilivela yona ukuthi wonke umuntu ufana ahlonishwe emhlabeni akungahleva
Thank you Mjomani.
evuqhubeka uzenza uclever umhlaba nawo uzokwenza ukuthi ube clever phela izinto ezenzala emhlabeni abantu abangenaki ukuthi umhlaba uyakhuluma
ukhuluma kanjani nje
ngeke nje othi kwenza stupid example let's say uyakhula bakubiza ngegama le okay let's say njami uyakhula bakubiza ngegama le president shuthi njami uyabona ukuthi
just kancane yeah
ngidansa kancane
Yeah.
Sholo ukuthi njami ngebe kanjani you were born to ukuthi ube something big phela abantu bengasichamela isihlahla besibona sisanga mase sinethela abantu yo hayi yakhumbula sitshala lesihlahla lesi mina kwenziwa njalo kumina hayi akwenziwa njalo nje ngizokutshela kahle ukuthi yakhumbula into yenza into ukuthi njengikwenze lento efuna phela uthi angina inhliziyo never ivulekile inhliziyo yami
For me, I think lento lena mele isuke ekhaya. Like angeke mhlambe kube ukuthi mangabe ekhaya kini phela it start from home. If mhlambe ekhaya kini kuzoba like mhlambe udadweni mayenza something or umfowenu, like if you're quick to forgive, well, even outside they'll still be the same person. Yeah, you wouldn't let the world change you of the person that you are. Yeah, and the food but abanye it helps them because now there's a person mhlambe at home like is just not too quick to forgive. But well, maseka face the world uthola ukuthi now it's a different situation to an extent yokuthi uthola abantu abazombonisa ukuthi no, that's not the way how to do things. Then you see, then you allowed like into zomhlaba ukuthi zikushintshe in a way. You see, but that change is a good change because now it's moving you from because njengoba usho ukuthi like most bambela like very commonly saying like there's this thing as black people nje. I think most people know that ukuthi like more valently it's like uzivalela into zakho and people and people lento le abayithatha into consideration and they into shy. It goes back to lento yokushintsha bogel nan in it goes back to the same thing. It's the same thing. Nalento lena yokuphula ucherry inhliziyo. It's the same thing. Do you know ukuthi if like Sbu ane ujola no cherry and then uphula lo mntana inhliziyo ane. Lo mntana lo those grudges that still hold. You know ukuthi mfethu like abantu besifazana mfethu like it's like those are the most powerful people like emhlabeni.
Yeah.
If I tend to be correct.
Uyacavutha abantu besifazana bamsana nemuni.
Siyas.
Imali esenjami ushaya icherry ezonjami angithi uyangena lapha emgodini yabo umuntu uthi kanjani wenzakalani uyiluma wena wena uzotshatha udle icherry anti icherry idla wena yazi othi ngibeke stupid example let's say njami uzwalela umuntu onenhlanhla intombazana njami ihlangana khona intombazana uzohlangana nayo maybe qeda khipha isisu umuntu qeda hlangana nayo njami izokufuna because ibona ilights lo nayo wathi avumela ba bona izinto zakho sezihamba igrand and futhi into stupid ngomhlaba iya reflect umhlaba u reflect ubuwena once umuntu obed umhlaba uzoba bed kuwena
yes ngiyayithemba yazi lento leyo ukuthi amantombazani ne like bona baphethe like ba powerful labantu laba
Very much.
it's like yonke into abayiphethe like it even comes to like having intercourse namantombazane yazi izinto sithathayo nje lapho nje umuntu mayine bad ungaba ne bad
just yeah through sexual intercourse
cabanga nje
imagine there's akakenzi Sbu akakenzi next ukuthi mhlawumbe uzoba like vele lo ngifuna phela akabi like lo ngifuna kumfakela ibhadi but wena uthatha ibhadi
nje kanjalo
bad boy nakhona fona ivumele lento ifilayo ngentombazana ukuthi le ntombazana ngathi ngingayishaya because konke kuvimba ukuthi uzoyithola la what if uma qeda kushaya lo mntana afonela makhadi yo ungirapile phelele career yakho
angaze ephela namfethu nama influencers especially wena
mina nginastoko mina
hayi uma Silva khona le video yakhe yazi uma Silva wenzani yazi uma Silva wenzani mfethu uma Silva khona nye video yakhe ishuthi uyareka kule video I think I don't want
Magasiya uzozwa ngithulile manikhuluma ngamantombazana uzothi awubuni angayenzi le thing
yazi wenzani udlala ngenye itheke lomunye umntana
leave no video
awazuyinaki ivideo like ivideo a reply angithi amazi uma Silva ukuthi unjani uma Silva phela wathi wakhuluma ngaye a reply especially mayifila ngathi nginga reply so that video bekadlala ngibelela kageli ku video hayi man ngibelela kageli uyazi ngiyicava lento engiringa ngayo uyayicava
yimi yite siyazibadlo
uyayicava
Magasiya ngithulile manikhuluma ngabo geli uzothi awuboni ukudala le ibhari le ilahlile
manje uthi wife unganagel no
mina abangifuni
mbuza ukuthi unaye na
unaye na
anginayo ladies incomplain get something kunzima
awuphendula la
yabo njami ezi samathi sinjami khona into eyenzeka during the way njami ukuthi uthola kulesekile ukuthi okay fela amantombazana akufuna but khona le nto le ekuvimba from amantombazane like lese uthi intombazane fanele ube khona khona something eqhamuka ufana uyenze during the day yazi ukuvikelwa yini lonto le sokuvikelwa kwizinto ezibhaya sokuvikelwa izinto ezibhaya
I think loyo uNkulunkulu wami loyo
kulo process lo kuyona wadingeka amantombazana shuthi wangena umuntu wesifazane kuyonakala that's why amantombazane mina for ukukhulumela mina iqiniso mina most amantombazane like angena lo mchitelo umuntu ngiyathula ngikubheka uthi intombazane kanjani cause angizwane busy mina yo inhliziyo engaka
nami that's why ngingajoli ngizothi ngijole intombazane ngelanga lokuthi uzoshaya esidini lami kuzovela something engibhayizisayo ukuthi ngingashaya.
So do you think that's a sign?
It's a sign.
It's
Every time akumele ukuthi kusakala isitoko kimi kuvela something
ngiyayithemba lento
layishaya. And crazy enough dog yazi ukuthi inhliziyo isuke ifuna kanjani lento leyo.
Yeah.
Ukufisa kanjani ukuba planela.
Ngiyayibelieve lento leyo.
Ukorapha ngisho nekamera. Bana yonke indawo boy ufake namacondom la emkamelweni
baba sike sakoropa.
Ungathatha necondom. Ungathatha necondom uyifake phansi komkamelo. Ufuna nokuthi
yiduke nje ufuna ukuthi bayizise.
Dala sikoropa maroof lana sithi bayeza labantu.
Asiyamen ayalimala.
Na mara ngiyakuza.
Okay. Jomo. Njayam. There's something that I want to know from you. Because as much as you say abantu abathanda kulibamba ikhanda lakho in when it comes to girls you've never faced like a rejection because of maybe your head or whatever.
Khanda lokho.
Okazi face rejection molanda ma uchira be like ay ngeke mina no Jomo. Ay.
Obeyazi ke imini ngibasha ngepani.
Jomo ngabe kunale blind date la ngena ku girl my give you mask. Kunale blind date engayibona.
Uthi wenzeni?
Yaba le reaction lokuthi kuyenza. Lo girl wayenza le reaction le.
Jomo.
So ayikazi nje yenzakala ukuthi nje ugirl maybe athi
awuthola ama rejection because of
nakhona nje.
Before you became famous, obviously now very
now
I'm told
even before ngibe famous okay fair I was at that guy the trender vele ku Facebook bebengazi ukuthi ngiyadelela amantombazane fete ke bengekho kangaka kona but bekhona la ngobambayo na ubona ukuthi ish boy lengane lomchita lo shangi isini store manje intombazana mayibuka ngathi filth ngathi ne filth akhona ngwabambile ama cherry even ngakaduma bengwabambi into yami if ubu secture before ubu secture akekho umuntu ngekusoze baphuma secture gazi if u secture even ngihamba ubu ama post from dala bengu secture.
What's that secture?
Bamba bokele
nje uba
charo
dalopo re
charo
charo live
ayi
shik.
Then angitshela yini into yakwenza ukuthi like upop up like ku Facebook according to wena like wangena kanjani into that space you feel like okay now I've gained emotion yini lento le like yakwenza ukuthi ugain emotion.
First video yami ngashutho abanye abafethu manje amachitsamo ulungero noWandi ni sister uDima sahlele songela ku party yakhe so yabona into amokubheda shoot obuthi masithi ngiyabheda la bangishuthi ivideo ngisanginendaba noma ngathini ngama mbhika no boyfriend umchita post ivideo ku story ngitshethe ya trend ivideo ngivuka ekseni ngiyahamba ngenge station ngobhaye impuphu angangena eShoprite ngixa wonke umuntu angibheka
ukuphi useThekwini lapho
ekasi ngihamba ngothenga lapha ne station impuphu ngiyaxeka ukuthi wonke umuntu wabheka mina manje kwenzakalana uyatrend ithi ngiyatrend ngithanda ngamina angihambe ngekhaya mangiqobe ngiva singongena lapha egcekeni hlala enye iphara hey boy imali lapha ngikubonile uyatrenda ipushe le line okay angakhola ngene TikTok isa ngitrendana ngithola wonke ama story phesitawo ku blue bangiposting ngisho nawo phesitawo abantu abaningi ababhaba bangiposting abantu baphesheya ngaposta ngisho noba yabona umjita lo mnyama we Bad Boys ubani
Smith
posto yena
and right because in fact uJomo writers there was a video engayibona mina ku Instagram it had like if I'm not mistaken 10 million dog
idlulile
bene I video leyana inoJomo la and leyo muntu loyo akusowayi
na last week ngithole enye video trend afuthi le United States. So ubona lo riding ngisho ukuthi hayi akufanele ngiphela la South Africa mina response ukuthi ingale
landela bothayila
anje boy
easy
nje fanele ngithole uthayila nje simpikela noma sifuna flying fish
ukhuluma ngaloyo boy
What is celebrity crush nje why landed?
Okay. Yayicaba ntomazana kuthi uthando.
Yeah.
It's
ngiyabona
Thando.
It's Thando.
Oh boy.
Yeah, Thando. Why vele like she made that thing for herself like to be unique ngokuthi athi it's Thando because most it's Thando.
wonke umuntu
No
sekacaba
one
ukuthi
gets
ringa
confused.
yeah
But
the
if
minute
you say
it's-
Thando,
wathi Thando
Like ibaba
Yeah,
confused.
yeah.
It's
Thando
Thando.
yini ekuchazayo ngaye
Oh boy like
But she's very cute dog.
yonke into
yena
ngayo.
now she's fighting. I feel like now sekafike kwi-age la singamcompliment khona phela akekho umuntu yazi ukuthi nangakuthani
Boy.
since ana 16 from 4 years ago
yo
how
makuvare
Oh iva.
Tsani ube na
Hayi,
16 for 4 years
Man I don't care ngeminyaka yakhe.
uyamfuna
It's-
wena
Basari.
ubani wakho
mina
celebrity crush
chomo akunikeze yami
Yeah.
Yabo uthando kodwa mangase ngimthole. I hope uyayibona sweetheart.
hayi leya ufuna ukuyizwa msiyasi
So mangathi mathumela message to Thando ungathini kuye? It's Thando. Let's just say nangu like ubhekile ungathini kuye mfethu.
Okay. Come to Papa. Daddy's waiting for you. Ngisho ngingamtholanga ngiyacava ukuthi ngangamthola manje khona la ngizomthola khona.
easy
And angeke give up ngakutholanga. Yo. Like nini ngimfuna lona even ngakadumi lo muntu omazana ngiphe ngithi shit. This
Kanti
guy.
umncane Thando.
Yo boy like yo.
awuthando text amfana manibula phi
Boy.
text amfana
Thando
Wena masilva.
bayazi enhle kabacafa ethi ngibatsheni khona ke Emile haya awuzwa nongithukile before ngibiza igama la
Ungaqhubeki boy.
Ngathi uphezukwana.
mama yazi mina mama noma ningangilethela something man mfana
what
Ufuna bali baba?
kunzima mara you see that Tyler mama Masilva is waiting
Ufuna ngolime. Ucabanga.
man something kuna mama Silva mfana we are available mama I'm waiting for Jomo mele usuke la mfana next time you must come here me and
Wathi
you
ngimvulele isikhala.
amvuleli boy you must be absent boy something you must be
absent.
absent boy
Isikhala.
yeah you know Tyler
next.
Masilva is waiting something mama
Noma
damn.
kufuna uthando ukuhamba endlini.
Damn. Whew. Hayi, Emile hayi wona kanyaka bothayela mthotsi uqala. Masilva
Okay.
is waiting.
Ejomo khona into ngifuna ukubuza yona because khona into ementionile uthi iFacebook iyakubhadala and because
Yeah.
like in everything that we do even if yabona ezinye izinto vele siyazenza for uthando
Yeah,
especially content creation yini wena like keep going like when it comes to TikTok because mfethu TikTok awubhadali
facts
yini ongathi ay mina this is the drive like ngilo ngipush uTikTok.
So ithi indaba ngiqala uTikTok bengafuni ukuduma so I was wanted to inspire some people who are disabled bacanga ukuthi impilo mo disabled uthi like iyaphela ayipheli nje yami wena entshela ukuthi iyaphela for example like into wrong yonke into right wena ukhetha ukuthi ifila kanjani uthi right or wrong yabo so into engantshela yona noma uhleli kwi-wheelchair uhleli kuphi awukhulumi zimele mfana bangene ungayithathi kancane awucava ukuthi power onayo ngenzani la South Africa maybe you can make a huge change yabo so azingabazi ubughost bakho no your word.
So if now like you're to given a chance like ube like this is if yini izinto ngathi wena ungadinga ukuthi mhlambe i-government or mhlambe one of the prominent guys in the game
Sure.
like but assist with like maybe materialistic things or money or whatsoever yini lo ongafisa ukuthi bak-assiste ngayo so that you can like assist those type of people or people within your community.
lapho ifuna ukukhuluma into eserious ntwana yami
like njami ngithola ekugcineni ngahlahle uqonda ukuthi njami like
Like into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi like if now government were to give you a chance ukuthi ushintshe impilo zabantu njengoba usho ukuthi
Sure.
like there are people aba disabled abafila ngathi life kahle kahle like it's not well for them like things are not like going the way they should nani if the government bungathi support ngani ukuze uzo assist abantu abafana nalabo.
Engafisa ukuthi maybe we can open a program mhlawumbe let's say njenge men to men or something nyana esingakhuluma nalabo bantu labo yabona nto le if khona for sure khona umuntu manje ofisa ukuthi ngimsize manje ukuthi angitext and awazi ukuthi afinyelele kumina jo ukuthi abha notification. So into engicela ukuthi ugovernment ungisize ngako ukuthi sivule iprogram ezosiza wonke umuntu okhona eSouth Africa ofisa ukuthola usizo because ama2K ngiyaxolisa ukuthi kubeka ama2K zibhazi into abahlangana nazo bayasaba ukwenza izinto because banenda ukuthi bazothina abantu so
yeah uJomo is right
badinga abantu abanjengathi abathi ngagani ngayenza into ngagani abantu abangenendaba nabantu ukuthi bathini lo muntu lo nendaba na kwenzela in end of the day lo uzokwenzelana ukuthi uba usibambani uzothini mina don't give a fuck ukuthi uba uthini kanjani and into engithanda ukuthi abantu bazongisupport and ngisazoqhubeka ngibathande the way bona bangithanda ngayo.
And yazi lento lo uJomo what is he trying to say ngama2K I understand where he's coming from. I know they might also come for me yabo like think about this Sbu. Let's just say now if you could go to high school and say we are doing like a project and then like ufuna learners that would go corner to corner badayisa ama-veg how many people would join that program?
None.
Yeah.
Why?
angeke bajoin
Why?
Because bacabanga ukuthi abanye abantu bathini. Yeah.
ibaba let them talk
Bheka singena ngayiphi out yami sibenzeni
ababuwe
Ngiqona let them talk.
easy
Ngiyabayeka abakhuluma.
but le brand lena mfethu
Ababu.
there's something inconfused I. This brand it's new to my eyes but it says since in 2014 how yenzeka kanjani le?
How is that so?
yeah sure ithi ngikuexplainele ngithola ithi ngiqale phansi ngithola 2014 ne I was in Free State khona ikhruye yavulwa la ebizwa nge let them talk ngithola yayizi topic eningani ngithola it was about dieting ukuthi yazini asiyenzeni yonke into esiyenza abantu mabakhuluma ngithola i-dieting icale 2014 ngithola and ibrand yashayiwa boma 2021 yashayiwa ibrand ngithola yona i-let them talk yashayiwa 2014 you understand like ibrand yashayiwa yabhalwa 2014 because of lento leyo icale 2014 ekhu ngithola iminyanga yavaya fela ibrand yayekwa ya relaxwa ngithola eFree State ngithola so mina this year ngise Gauteng bengise Free State angithi that time no ngise Free State ngise Gauteng ngathi yacava company ithi ngiqalisele futhi lento lene ukuthi yazini let them talk abantu mabakhuluma so yeah that's why nasemuva ngibhale it's a secret emuva it's a secret ngithola abantu mabakhuluma indaba zakho abazazi ungabatsheli it's a secret easy.
Wow. But who inspired like ukuthi ibuye because there's like even if yaqala back then but what brought it back into your mind? You were like, you know what, I'm rebranding this thing.
Alright, iTikTok ngithola ngibonile yonke into engiyenza nje ku TikTok bayaringa ukuthi ngithini mfano waras ka Rocky Tlangwane ithi ngithi brand ngithola ngishaya le brand let them talk yona sizabaphendula mina ngisaringa isibhaya ngishaya ivideo nje ngigcokile nje umuntu uzoseka zabona ukuthi hayi le ayinandaba let them talk. And a shout out to Lona mo Free State LTT re kaofela bafethu ke le rata thata mfana monyane ntsa ihula wa ihulo ka mo Gauteng bafethu ke le tsa best a re eng kopile ke mo ra morao tletse ma site ngwa wela la tseba ka modimo fela tangwa.
And while sikulento ye TikTok, but you were trending a few weeks ago. Ku TikTok. Kuma live mfethu backtrack. Did you saw that?
I saw it. Hey, ngibonile. Bomb.
What happened there though?
It was a bomb.
Unubonenda. What happened?
Ngibone bekune argument between Masilva no Fezela.
Fezela
and yeah, beba argue about something enzeke manje, but when you said into yakhona iqala ekudala. So manje yinto sifuna ukuyazi thina. Wona ubonini?
Okay, what I want to know mina first,
Yeah.
because lento lena futhi there were these rumors that were circulating ukuthi uJomo ukuthi wena kahle uthathe uJomo wambambisa inkunzi eJozi. Is that true?
Ayikho lady. Ayikho lady.
Akusiqiniso lento le. It's just born to singafona
Abo bezela bayajuta. Bezela yini ngomfana bezela.
And bathi water uyazi.
Yeah, even though ukuthi watermelon scarce. Watermelon
pick up yena masingabuza yena.
Kwazi bani?
Watermelon.
Bathi water uyazi.
Why khona?
Bekangekho
Like
nokukhona.
wonke lo imali edengise ngingekho endlini.
Alabantu mina bayangixaka.
Bathi
Let's hambe kuyimi noJomo kuphela estradini.
Is it true now? Is it true now ukuthi wena awukazi ubambise
Mina noJomo.
akakazi ukubambisa.
Masinge bakho basibamba inkunzi.
Awukazi bathi wena.
Basibamba inkunzi feli.
Yeah,
Bathi
basibamba.
iphela sika Jomo.
Bathathe
Okay,
yami
relax.
ifoni.
Shh. Let me try Fezela.
Ufone lapho Fezela manje. Ubamba kanjani ifoni usasigomoka.
Ngathi ngeke zaphika.
Mfethu, scarce.
Maybe usakuplanela.
Planela bani?
La usaplanela.
Fezela uyahlupha efonini vele.
Usasigomoka. Nyamazi. Ubulala abantwana.
Yiwa ukazosukela Fezela. Okay, sithi mzame nge-straight call.
Ukushisa kahle.
Umzame
Banazela umfana somgayima lokuphesha amazinyo ngoba usukhuluma indaba ezingekho.
Yo, ay, this is wrong, bafethu. Melenzeni?
Azola ndima lokuphesha amazinyo. Phela mina ngikhuluma lamakhanda, phela mina ngamgayima lamakhanda.
Nami ngiyele ikhanda lakho liyahola igepe yakhe yaholi why? Mara why?
Mhlambe noma thola uref unyana wezinyo kwelishoda.
Something.
Mhlamba ngayibamba straight call. Because umjwayela ngomfonela so uzoba. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure kambani Fezela.
Ukolo na.
Ngimnandi awuthama. Bheka nje yami. Yeah, ishmanare man ukuthi sekufonela enhle sengizokubuza ezinye izinto. But konke engifuna ukuklarify yona feel like konke engidinga like clarification kuyo. There was this thing that was trending ukuthi uma Silva ubambisa uJomo inkunzi. It's true lento leya vele.
Ivare.
Umbambisa inkunzi vele.
Ejozi.
eJosepha.
Angithi ke angazi kwenzakalani. Futhi uJomo uyele weze shop mina lengabaleli ngingacazi. uJomo eze shop. Ngakafika eshop akangitholanga bekazofuna mina. Afika thola midi kaFafastra ngikakhumbula nobani. Abatshela ukuthi uma Silva ungambisa inkunzi la eJozi so akanamali ukubuyela so uyithi bekafuna mina ngimnike.
Wena bowumngane naye that time Fedi?
Yeah, ngifile sanze sasena chance nani.
Yeah. Then after lapho uthe like wakujikela sekabuyela kubo maSilva nanani futhi wenzani after lapho?
Yeah.
Cause Fedi like now ama-gents ayayiphika riding.
All right.
Nawe. Mlethela. Yes. success
ufuna ukuthini kufezela okay akakade
mlethe
ukhulumele Mike
Yeah, khulumele Mike.
ya gogo mshini hamba
Gamba.
sure boy uthini kuthina uthini
Ngirenga nobani.
boy kahla amazwi akho ezosana ube ukhumbula uthi
Hayibo.
Boy.
Ungazenzi isikora phezu kwami.
boy yazini funa siqede masihlangana yeso uyokhuluma ngami TikTok
Uqeda nobani?
boy
hayi ningale baba Jomo
ngimsabi
No,
ukhuluma
ningale,
noJomo
khuluma
yini
lento leyo,
yezwa
ningale.
boy ukhuluma noJomo yini mfana wami omncane
Kandikhuluma wena sikuthi
vele wena isinayo sokugcina isishoda ngamazinyo
khulumele Mike mina
ukhuluma noma Silva ke ufuna ukungitshela uJomo ufike ngabo 2 eshop yakho azofuna wena ungazohlanya wena lento ekhulumayo umbhedo lento ekhulumayo umbhedo fezela ngiyakutshela niyekela ukuzicambela amanganye igama lika Jomo nini uJomo angafika ngo2 eshop wena
mina khulume
okay makakhuluma khuluma ke khuluma mtatemulu
Magents
Awu, iyangithuka manje
no ningale Magents
okay makakhulume ke uyangithukayo mina ngithukayo
mina nawe
ma relax aJomo relax aJomo khuluma ke uthini
ngiyenza igroup bafana kuyafana la ngihamba khona ngeni ngithole ngithatha abantwana.
uthini ke khuluma uthi uJomo bekase shop yakho ngo2
clarify lento leyo
akafuni ukuyihlela uyawuza ukuphi yena
khuluma bengikwisho yakho ngo2
ufuna ukungitshela sibanje inkunzi ngo2
Nisasebancane kakhulu abona manje uthana ngamasimbi. Bangahlangana nawe namasimbi ungatatazela inyini.
kwama defezela ngisakutshela namanje
okay
sek ari yesikhothane sangikha
Shusho,
kothana samasimba
shusho macala.
Liphi man.
Yeah, it's a guy.
awuthema
ambosebenzela omunye umuntu lapho
thulana
ambosebenzela omunye umuntu
hayi man anekele ufezela
Thina
man. Nah, man,
sisayisebenzela
anekele ufezela,
thina.
Magents, please
sama super united thina sidlali kanjalo
thulana uthini fezela
Uthini umadala?
iphinde
umadzala ibrand yakho mina nguJomo ubaba wakho futhi intombi yakhe iyangifuna ngomanje
Ukhuleke kwawena ucanga ukuthi uyini kanti wena.
kahle boy mina ngisoze ngalokho ngiphikisana nawe kufanele uthi umntana
Uthanda manje ifoni yakhe elugrase emafonini wabantu.
Man.
uhleza
Asohlangana.
thuka
ya ungale fezela ungale awuthela
Wena,
okay
wena,
thulisa Magents hayi
Extra wena man. Angikubale ilini.
asingalweni fezela bengafunanga
Manguwe ngafaka ichepisi kulo game.
kuliwa uthiyami
hamba xasha phansi isikhathi sikakhulu
bengafuni kuliwa hayibo sure
Uyabona bukawa lento abazitele yona. Iyafana into abazoyenza. Umuntu uzongitshela ukuthi singahlangani. Mina ngiyafika eSoweto each and every time shize ngifike eSoweto. Wena why bangezi la isindisa sibone.
ushuthi bayasaba wena
Bayasaba. Mina eSoweto ngiyafika each and every time.
qabelana manga
Why bona bangezi beze la eKaSlam. Angikhulumi nabantu
Uzomoshela
abakhokhela
isikhathi, Fezela.
Yeah, banle fairly.
boy
khuluma singaqedi nyama
igama lakhe lisho umshini ongena motion
ungangitsheli ngemotion wagcina kudala utrainer nakhona bekuyimistake besingayicavi inhloko yakho.
ubongani uyicedile icareer yakho kuSmash Pass wakhwita
Ngelapho yini into
ingakho udecide udayisa ingubo nofafast ubaba wakho lapho
inhloko yakho besisayicabuka besingazi ukuthi sihlekeni wavela siyabonga
ngamagwara
okay fezela awuthema angifuni kuliwe mfethu bengafuni kuliwe bengifuna iclarification angithola
no akuliwa
Yeah.
Imali mekhonyana,
akekho umuntu owina i-argument ngokuthukana.
hlezi kanjani
Nah,
wasingakhulumi kahle
if he's watching this, angeke uzwine argument.
Sure. Sure.
Yeso mina ngicingo bengekho uzokutshela ukuthi kwenzakalini.
hamba ku rehearsal
no kwi-live washo kanjalo ngiyakhumbula isitory leso is the same story lesi asisho na
Ukhuluma lento leyo.
hamba ku rehearsal
ngingacela imali kumuntu
Ah, but-
oholi i-foster care
But akusena stress out yami. Bengifuna leyo clarification ethi sizoyiringa Fedi.
Phela ayinajive mara intwana lezi
Ungambize intwana boy.
Bafast uthenga imoto ahamba nawe.
Manish.
Khulisa boy.
Wena promoter lapho something.
Abantu bakupodcast.
Yabo ngithina kwimanje school.
Ithi sizobuye siyiringa out yami, sizobuye siyiringa. Ithi sizobuye siyiringa, ithi ngivale no out yami.
Tell us something before drop abakupodcast.
Yeah, baku-podcast.
Ngiyabona ngiyacaba umuntu makalapho uyamphakela bakugcine kudala ukudla that's why bazongiphaphela kangaka.
Athi sivala.
Yadelela.
Nakhona boy. Ethi
Ayi.
uthi dlambile.
Okay, kahle asibuyiseleni le story lesi sase kahle kwenzakaleni.
Lo mfana uzasukaza nina amagenge wakhe kumele ngibambe ifone ngike ngithi nami ngibambe ezami fast.
Mina boy.
Ngeke
Uzasukaza ngebhasi kumele ngike ngibambe ifone ngike ngithi 1 2 3 call.
So kahle kwenzakaleni. Nina
Phezulu
manje
yahlanya simanje inkunzi ngabo 2.
Okay.
Mhlawumbe ivuliwe ngabo 2 ekseni.
Ayivulwa.
ayivulwa shop. Okay.
Singabanje inkunzi emini ke.
Sichazeni istory sonke because
Yeah,
abantu bathola
siqale
istory
from
si-wrong
there.
da. Siqale ukuthi istory kwenzakaleni.
Besimele uflex thina da.
Yeah. Va.
Simele isikade side khona la eNewtown phezulu nyana.
Ay flex hlezi. Wena flex hlezi late wena mina
Everywhere
address
uflex
hey
late.
flex uhlezi late.
Everywhere.
Yabona abantu bazawanje inkunzi ngenxa yakho. Hayi flex baba. Okay.
Isikhathi.
Sure.
Amashop avaliwe yonke into ivaliwe sihleli ngaphandle.
Abobani ikazi lapha.
Ama 2-1 da.
Ekseni.
Ekseni.
Shit.
Angisakhumbuli. Manje ngifuna ukungitshela uJoma ngaya lapho kuleyo shop.
Yeah, sichazi zanaso istory kwenzakaleni.
Afele kwavela amanye ama-chance. Kwavela i-chance eli-1 cala. Umjita andlula fu. Makandlula fela untwana asimthathela ngekhanda manje mina noJoma sizimela ngithi simele uflex. Asina stress. Mina ngixova ifone. uJoma ubhizi ngefone. uJoma ahlala phansi abeka ifone la. Kuyabona amabhula phansi ubeka ifone la. uJoma ubhizi uzivasela izolo yakhe. Nami ngizinakela izinto zami mina yabo ngibheka izinto nje angithola. Ngibona sebayimi nomajita i2. Mafika sebayibathatha ifone kaJoma. Yami ngimameke esandla la awuthi uthatha ifone yami mina ngilibele ngitofuna ukuyithatha ngalilahlela le.
Ngayigxoba ngonyawo cabanga ngixoba
uJoma
ngonyawo.
ahleli kanye ilahlela uJoma ngazi uyiganile kwenzeni.
Ifone yakho.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bandlula lama outhi lawo kanjalo nje bavanga ifone. Akekho shayiwe. Kanjalo.
Akekho le mali
Akekho
futhi.
Ayikho limalile. Aphansi today. So lento
So bona istory senkunzi basithathela va and bayas interpret kwenzakala.
Uma ngaso angisazi mina.
Wena kahle lento akhuluma ngayo intanga wena uyicaba.
Angicabi. Mina ngicaba leyo phone kuphela bathatha ifone kaJoma bavaya.
abanye abantu
Becocela ukuthatha ifoni near somewhere. Where did you guys
Siyeza
No.
request sabuyele endlini.
sibele
So manje
endlini.
bayithatha lento le shop.
Boy,
Angazi ne shop ngiqala ukuyizwa ubone ngimangele shop ngo2.
sometimes abanye abantu bakhanda istory because baphumile
Bawile.
yeah boy ngeke uqhamuka uzotshela mina ukuthi ngigcine kudala utrend mina ngiqeda kushaya manje 1 million views so engazongiphaphela ngichomi ngalonto leyo ukuthi into engiyenza ukuthi ngiyayithanda manje ngoba ezongiphaphela boy umfana omncane boy so ngoba usukele mina usukele wrong la sohlangana khona soshaya nomfana
Mina ngeke
Akliwa
Mina
motive violence.
Manje ne-question.
Mina
le.
ngeke
Showing yami
ngitshela
promotive
leyo
question
violence.
for
yokuthi
wena,
kudala ngatrenda mina ngeke ngihotman kuye namhlanje.
Ngine-question
Angeke
for wena
abuye.
mina. So manje sithi bona bathi indaba eshop ayenzakala. Manje lento lokuthi uWater yena uyazi ingenaphi lo ndaba leyo.
Nami ngiwetha ngazo isicaba.
Cause naye uWater when I watched it
Naku live,
it looked like she had something to say.
Ukhulume the same thing ukuthi nayo story it's the same thing.
uWater uthe
Uyile shop,
bowile
Tom.
kwi-shop. So
Bathe
ngicabanga-
ufika
Bese
shop.
simele ngaphandle kada.
But bathi bona
Flex.
inkinga ngabo 2 and the shop ngabo 2.
ayivulwa
Ayivulwa.
angazi kimi badayisela ipoko.
So babuza uJoma ufika esikhathi bani ke lapho ke shop le yapho. uJoma ufika esikhathi bani?
azama uWater.
Thina besizimelela uflex
Cabangani,
thina la.
asifonele uWater.
Water water uscarce la muntu la.
Uyasho?
Yo. Singamzama.
Awumzame ngifuna ukusizwa kahle le story because nina manithi
Okay, sithole le
after banibamba
isikhathi.
inkunzi
Okay.
nivayile
Mhlambe
bona
lesikhathi.
bayithatha lento le shop.
Water mina azama nge-straight. Ithi ngimzame nge.
awu manje sengifale izindaba
uJoma ke
zakho.
makasuka kimi aya shop ubufezela. Mina ngizosala nobani?
That's the thing nami into engizibuzayo ukuthi
So wena usale nobani lapho?
baqeda ukubamba inkunzi nithi
Wena usale kanjani?
Makahamba ayi1 eJozi.
wayezohamba yedwa
Abaye
eJozi
ekhala
bathi
shop.
isebusuku
hayi guys kuna something engenzi sense la kune one
Abafezela mele bajime.
ama views
Zile mangithi ufafa
Fezela.
uthenga imoto uyathula.
guys.
then
Congratulations mfana ka
Shout
cause
out
wena
to you,
uthutha
man.
uthanele
Shout out to
mfana
you.
la ningepe akithibiki
then leni ixabanela kahle kahle yiphi because it's like anixabanelanga indaba yemali kahle kahle.
ayena uyazulwelani
No, phela they've been we heard even on that
Cophendula
live
lokho.
ukuthi you guys like were fighting for you guys started fighting for I think indaba ye jersey
The hoodie or something.
yeah and then angazi
let's like red lily
Yeah.
like loza mathala mangame kancane
untwana oshawa
mfana ke sabethoza
pressure.
mathala ke bethale them talk mfana keep on talking wena do the talking
Angeke aze
Uskazi,
ayibambe ukuthi.
Water hleza busy mfethu phone akayibamba bamba ufezele
Mara shout out to Water.
chaza le okay chaza le ukuthi kahle labantu laba xabanelana because it seems like akusi into ye le yemali kuphela yama school tour
yabo mina into engibona Khotman ukhuluma ivara fezela
mara mina yazi angunderstand ufezela ufaka kanjani uJomo kulena
yazi
mara ibheke yonke la kuJomo ungenafa la ku yonke lento
cabanga nje
yabona ukuthi akangena uJomo
Akangeni ndawo ya.
ngakho ngithi ngifuna
yabo lo
ukumshaya.
muntu utitekile lo
ngizomshaya lo mfana lo
then ejezi kwenzakaleni ukuboleka ijezi kwenzakaleni asichazele ejezi
obvious let's say kusasa ne shoot music video ne and ku music video sonke siqoka white yangithola mina nginayo into white yangithola anginayo into white sengiyakutshela ukuthi macala uzwakale ne heading yakho white kusasa ngikhona ukuyishaya shoot yangithola cause mina no in the meantime I don't have a white jersey yangithola njengomngani wami uzothini afade intwana yami nginayo afade spare for wena yangithola and then more uyangitshela ukuthi intwana yami nayo ishaya yangithola afade ngishaya sashoota ngenkathi zokuvama ngithi ngiyayibuyisa uyangitshela ukuthi hayi intwana yami ungavaya ngayo uyacava wena wenzelana ngithi ibrand yakho it's going to be promoted yangithola that's why ngingavaya ngayo untwana makafika kuma social media hayi boboleka ijezi ngithi boy the reason I borrowed the jerseys because of bengifuna ukuthi ngiyovela njengani nibe red angithi besigcoka red bengifuna ukuvela njengani
nibonganalo ijezi
benganalo mina ijezi red liphi anginalo ijezi red mina
then ilifika kanjani ku flex because bese bafaka no
because
flex
bengiploma no flex
bengiploma no flex lapho
bengiploma no flex
so flex bese ulishayile washuthi video then balibona then balibona ku video then sebabuza ukuthi why alifaka u flex
ngalibona linenkulumo ngithi ngaliyeka khona after that ngizange ngaligcoka kuyiphi video ngiyalibona angazi ngaligcoke nje after leyo shoot ngalikhumula ngalishiya la eflatini ku flex because mina vele belingangichasi yangithola manje untwana makafika ku social media hey ma silver parajisi yaka bese ngimangele nami ukuthi thatha ride ngesi promotion ukuthi ulwe nami ngayo so abantu bayabelieve ukuthi ha untwana bekaboleka because bekangana impahla savele njalo ngithi untwana you are a devil son
Ngichaze lento lo ishilo as live-in. Kunalento la ishilo as live-in ukuthi imela ugade ukuthi ucela like abangani bakho obacela izinto yibapi because abanye bamela ama opportunity kanje. Yabona manje ukuthi manje sikuba kanjani kuba ngathi vele uboleka impahla and stuff and ebheka manje sikazivulela istory sesiyabona ukuthi bekuyenzakalani.
Mina bengayiboli because bekushisa ungaboleka ijezi like ukushisa uthi intwana ngiboleka bekushisa that day just because ukuthi besoshutha that's why bengigqoka ijezi so angeke ngiboleka ijezi kushisa out of the blue nje ijezi
okay then le eyokugcina because uthe akusile yokuphela khona le kagele futhi ugele akusilo akhona
ayileyo ngifuna ukuyiringa
iyo le abantu abayifunayo
Iyo le abantu abayifunayo
ubani ugele wakhona ubani uyu akhona vele
ayileyo ayisengiringe ngayo kapaya leyo
but thina siyicala
hayi nathi yaza ngichave yazi
ngakho de ngisho ukuthi untwana umshini ongenamboshini ufezela ongena
okay thingi ukuyele khambani
sesizwe
water uzongicolela mfana bheka yacava khambani besi live bengiploma kwa flex ngithi besi live finish live kanjalo December finish live ku live kuna akho yangithola kunabanye abogeli and then use account yami yimno flex nomunye umfana sobambiza ngoJaco yangithola si3 si live feed hayi kumnandi manje uflex uthi yisiphi lesi ene mina ngithi bengisacaba mina nofezela besingakacabani yangithola ufezela sekangibonisa ithombe zalo mntwana lona angibonisile ukuthi la media yami in ungakudlaleli da
athi media yakubani
wakhona
yo
athi ungadlaleli da yangithola athi ungadlaleli fede boy ngithi afede no stress angeke ngidlalele da afede kumnandi kanjalo si live uflex utshela wakhona ukuthi baby girl ngicela ushaya 360 yabo ngimute mic ngithi flex ntwana yami acavi mina ngafezela ningayenzi kanje yomeni kafezela onkhuzile ngalo mntana nina nemshayisa ama 360 yabona aba flex yazi uflex mfana kanandaba hayi la inandaba baba yasho ukuthi hayi man angazitshela ngofezela mangame kancane I'm using mic lapha unmute okay lifela beke phone phansi ashama 360 nan angazi uflex agcina muza athi utshela nofezela yawo utshela nofezela ngithi flex ubuza ziphi manje kuma live because ufezela mfana uyithi anda yabo ngazi lo mntana waphuma kuma live afonela ufezela atshela ufezela the way mina ngikhuluma the way yena shama 360 ku live ngikhuluma ngofezela ngakhona leso sikhathi mina bengiyenzani bengikhuza yabo fezela ngifonela athi intwana yami company sewenzani manje inani
because ukhuze wena from the start
yeah ukhuze mina ngithi intwana yami amajidanya wakhuza la seka yakwati njengoba crash out uyenza lezo zinto lezo sekayenza ungangijoyela amasimba sithukana manje ngithi boy bengikhuza akasangimameli manje ngithi afile nga drop icall yasaqala la ukucabana
so manje mabembuza logela ukuthi ujola naye uthini
ngophukela ogela kudala uye waphuma wakhona
no uvumile athi yangijola naye or
uye waphuma nithathe lapha
so disconnectile ku line
yeah aphuma fonela ufezela nawe uyasazi le story
so into eniqhathile
kahle into esikhathi and lapho uflex bekajola nobani noWatermelon yaqhubeka lento le uflex bekafuna i360 kulo mntwana noFlex ujola noWatermelon yangithola mina ngiyenzani ngisikela ubani ufezela ngevoice note and leyo voice note ngiyenzani if you want ngithi intwana yami ngwa Flex that time yangithola ngibhekmouth ubani uFlex lapho ngikwakhe ngithi intwana yami uFlex uyoshama oshayisa lo mntana lo ini ama 360
usikhipha wena ukuthi akusiwo
yangithola ngiyamsikela ufezela njengomjiji yangithola ukuthi intwana yami akusimi boy akusimi lamajita ngiwakhuzile in mina kahle kahle bekumele ukuthi ngidefender uFlex ngidefend ufezela yangithola ufezela yena akayibonanga leyo ngiyamtshela ngithi intwana yami uFlex in nani kanje ufezela lawo ma view once voice note awashaya ngevideo yangithola awashaya ngevideo ngenye phone awayisa kubani ku Watermelon Watermelon ujola noFlex mafika ku Watermelon yangithola Watermelon ahlanye Watermelon lapho ujola noFlex ahlanye Watermelon Flex wena ufuna ama 360 lapho ngaphali ngehlile ngelift mangibuye liftini ngingene ibhekane nami noFlex no ngithola le outing ngimele kanje
phela who sell out manje
yangithola ngithola le outing ngimele kanje ithi intwana yami uyenzani manje sengisema like yashisa no intwana yami uyenzani boy wenza mina kanje ngithola phela uFlex angicanga Flex uyangicanga uFlex
athe grand la fucked up la
nano mama ngistart le brand
le uFlex uFlex yabona uFlex that time he's a good gent that guy yena is a good guy I've seen him bro like Flex is a good guy. It's just that he's very manipulative. That nigga.
Nano bayabona start le brand le asintwana yami ngiphele skipper ngizoshaya boy anytime boy ngizosicoka le brand yakho nje ngathi no stress boy sashuta kwaba mnandi
ngibonile bonayo nini
benginoflex ngisaqala le brand ngicale no the day before yesterday
ngibona so abantu abathumela nemali lo radar uthemba
angidlali kanjalo mina ngidlali kanjalo ayangena manje ama payment bafethu ke le ratatata latsiba kopile ke mo ababuwe
let them talk
latsiba akiba bethe 360 masifu
i360 show uwe man
the secret
Khathelo weshayiswa akhona washayisa
mina ngishaya 360 ngithola ayidlala Flex amela athi intwana yami manje sawenzani manje ngithola athi mina ngiqala ngasiphikisa ngathi mina athi intwana ungaziphikisi ngilebele ngidaye Flex akusimi athi ngitsheleni Watermelon ngithi mina ngingazi next ngithola angazi next nan athi ngikuzwisa ama voice note yo iziyami mara ekwatanga le out le yacaba ayikwata mara le out yami
yayindlulisa ne
hayi le out yami yandlulina nafandisi sakho bekumele ukuthi uyongigwadela ukudlula ufezela Flex ngidayela amanye ama flop abhaya mawusangixolela untwana usarelaxa nami nanobha idlala ngicela ukuthi boy you can pull up anytime you want we can shoot anything anytime
akayivari le ati
ara manje boss waka mpyaka
abasebenza indlu babo Flex
ngibona notification lapha efonini yami yazizola ithi I bought 1 million in
imagine congratulations Flex Otam when you inspire a lot of kids dog
shout out to you.
keep doing that bro
yeah Hey,
keep
flex
doing
ka
that.
time.
Keep doing that.
What's up best? Wa utlwa le Fezela no go dikhulong a re ye shebe shit, a re ke shebe shit. Mara it's fine with doing shit.
But Otiam, lento izokilunga mfethu le beef elasta this
Ah,
long.
mina ngindaba
Izokilunga.
ufezela ka lethi next etafuleni.
And the first time ngibona beef yamachite lasted this long.
Bekusho watermelon ku live the very
first
same thing
time,
lo isho. It's the very same thing watermelon.
And
But okay, mina ngine-question for wena leyizokufaka emaphakathini mawubhekile uba no-wrong wena manje sowuzwile iside ye-story manje vele besinga-understandi next ma uyibona manje wayibeka ngakhona uba no-wrong usathatha iside labo lakabanifezela igama lakhe ne or uthathe okay let's not even pick sides which story oyibona ngathi true because abanye bakhuluma ukuthi bebaye kumalento
The story is still two-sided.
like asiyazi yonke isitestinga futhi
Ngithola cause manje ufezela ukhuluma esinye story. Uma Silva ukhuluma esinye story.
Indaba
but
bafezela
the
ba
thing
create
is-
story, baz create.
but the thing is mina what I will never understand is the fact ukuthi bathi uze yedwa shop how is it
Beka
baba
kuphi?
babayithula abantu
bengihleli
laba
kuphi ke mina,
bebayithula babe babamba inkunzi bethu obvious bazova wethu that same
Bangasibamba
day
inkunzi uJoma ngishiya athi ngekufezela.
But shuthi athi kuphela according to bona like ngathi shuthi uma Silva ubhayizise uJomo wamshiya uJomo shuthi mhlawumbe uma Silva mhlawumbe bekanemali yaneleyo ukuthi ayi
Oh, ukuthi
azivale
avaye.
ibona mhlawumbe according to bona
Mara
I wouldn't know
ngicabanga.
but still we don't have
We
full
don't have the
answers
full-
because those are still allegations. I'm not saying anything.
hey
Ngokubuza njami. Mina macanga njami. Even ke okay, sebusuku o2.
When did you go to the shop nje sesibuza
Yeah,
wena
sibeke
nje.
kanjani
Mina,
Did
never,
you-
Did
boy.
you go to the shop and ask for
Never
money?
boy, never boy. Never ngaze ngiye la mina.
Ngabo 2 bacela ukuthatha ifone usaya kufezela ngawo. Yacaviva leyo shop
Okay.
from Gabo Flex.
Othi ngisho something. Masiva macanga mina bengimazi ufezela.
Ngibonga manje.
Kwemanje khona abantu abangamazi ufezela.
nama ngima
Sebezomazi ngoba thina sikhuluma ngaye manje. Ila uzongena khona ku trend
Bekalala
line.
nendaba ukuthi bengingamazi mina ufezela. Mina bengingamazi mina.
Umazise uMavesta.
Umavesta ngiboni bekakwatile lapha ku live angena uma Silva wena buthi awungazi ngithi vele bengingakwazi. Lo muntu lo noma ungaphika boy check in box yakho bekangitheka kwizinto aziboostayo. Alibela ngitheka for collaboration. Ngilibele ngizibheka nje ngingamphenduli ngingamazi lo muntu. Mina bengingamazi. Umavesta waza kimi wathi boy there's this boy called Fezela ngithi Fezela. Who's Fezela? Ngangena ku account khane bengibona mina ngingena ngibona isikhothana ngithi boy uzwenzani lo muntu lo. Uzwenzani uzoletha ini ngathi okay let's try him ithi ngimvulela inhliziyo just for it try ngathi okay plus mina akusimi lo muntu lo vele nje avale mele ngizwa ama idea yangithola afere sibiza untwana kanti ungitextile na ku Facebook no check inbox yakho boy ungitextile na ku Facebook ngangena la ku Facebook ngiyabona ungitextile ngathi poison ngizuluma vest ungijilile ngayi number lakho la app angigayi number la app ngambisa sa studio sashaya ingoma untwana ngamuza ukuthi hayi untwana uyagibela easy kanjani easy.
Ay mina uthi mina ngiyaqala mfethu ukubona ibeef yama-gents elasisikhathi eside so ngiyaqala kahle iyokuphele nje le beef le
Angiboni ukuthi izophela manje ngoba sebefake mina. Mina into engingayisho nje kwemanje. Kulokho ekhuluma ngegama lami ngimitha sihlangane face to face siqede mina naye. Mina ngithanda lokho ngimemeza lokho ngirasela wazi siqede.
manje inkinga ukuthi ngathi ufuna ukulwa noma Silva ayinawo
Aqale ngimina.
and uma Silva kuthiwa apparently Thuma Silva vele mfethu ufezele uyamsaba kahle into
Ubani sabufezela
ku social
Iqiniso
media
lelo.
ubani
Umuntu
sabufezela
phela kuthiwa even ne response ka Silva it took time to come out because of Bekasaba ukuze
uyabona
naku
ngabe
podcast.
ufezela ngiyamsaba ngabe ngishaya ngishowcase Fezela ntwana mona thupa right hela
umdisele invele nawe kahle
bengifuna ukumbonisa ukuthi kuma piano angangijayeli kabi uright lapha kumbhoqo usifezela uright kumbhoqo
Ambudlala le.
uzayijayivela
uright
manje
kumbhoqo uright angasiphapheli kuma piano thina
so bofuna umtshengisa
bengifuna ukumbonisa nama ngiyangabona uyewasha freestyle mos uzenza utos uzenza utos bonga zenza utos mfana be you do you for you
Ngathi
all those words from Jima Shego Boswana danko
fake kamera Jomo.
igama la Jomo enini
Yabo boy masutisa mina wazi ukuthi iyaphela career boy. Ngizoqeda ngawo.
cabanga
Cha ngizodisa umuntu oshaya ama voice over.
maka cabanga sengisabufezela
so it's not true lento
amafeni wakhe
amafeni wakhe kahle kahle what's going on they come for you or provoke amafeni wakhe
they come for me balandela ubababo balandela itime
But should the fan base is strong.
And this role model is fucked up. And they all follow. Yes.
Akathengisho nje umshini.
Nami ngisasho umfana awutholi magig ugika ngo-masterpiece boy. Awutholi magig guide yami neyakho ngeke ifane nje yami.
Ngavele.
Angeke ifane mfana, angeke sigige ngokufana mina nawe.
Kuyimanje busy because ngishaya next year.
Yeah. Gig guide yami neyakho angeke ifane boy.
No masterpiece zobe.
Artist to artist.
Nama hotman lapha.
Awungitshele ngale performance yakho yaku Freshman Magazine mfethu. How did that came about?
Wabo lifezela so hard mo. Uke waganda. Akaza ganda lapha. Uke waganda Freshman. Akacana ukuthi ibheke phi.
Akaze sizinjani izinto zakhona.
Tamasupa lapha. Uke masupa.
Shout out to Freshman Magazine. Dale out there.
I this one.
It's a bomb.
Yo mina Freshman uyamasupa man. Nesindi kwathana. Uyamasupa la. Mama bona ukuthi impana mu ne wave bayakubamba bathi boy we see come. So rona ka fika re betha fela awusuka mani. Suka mani awusuka mani. Emaphili jo.
Bakuthola kanjani da?
Izinto zama Instagram uyazi massive. Shout out to Freshman Magazine bafethu. More music coming and sampane ke tlo perform matango kuphela la. Tango.
Yeah nje kufanele sithi kothela.
Sampane utoshuba. Lapha kuyizinja, cowboy kuyizinja ezijime ayabo fezela uright ethembisa.
Ngada ngisho ngishino nganamotion.
Makajavele ethembi uright ayidancer, ayi artist. Uright ayidancer. And ngisazokubhuka boy you have to dance for me while performing.
Amanyana hambo phesha amazinyo phela.
Umajavela bani? Azojavela mina boy, fezela boy, be ready boy.
Usazambuka.
Athini futhi mfana mina ngicheke ibhayo yakho ngiyokubhuka something. Ngizokhava deposit yomumele ngimkayiti. Ngegig futhi weekend Rustenburg are. Kuyazwakala.
Saphuma outside the province.
Sabo fezela mfana man asichange topic hotman something.
And like sakhuluma ngale nto yama gig. They say like artists make more money through gigs. It's true lento le.
It's true njalo.
It's true. Ke no tshwara 10 hour fela ke bambise magriza ke re bona. 3 hour ye magriza it's something ka montlo. Easy. Easy. Bomild. Easy and
Nje bethu.
yeah.
Damn.
Nje okunye nje nokunye. Hayi.
Cause ama royalties uzowamela ngazi until nini uzowamela.
Materials.
Angazi.
Anikakawatholi?
I mean ezama royalties akunandaba nazo mina.
So yabona sesiyibona
Ngishaya hit ngithola gig. Lona le hit lela linyatsa ufezela amatanko kuphela liyangigigisa. Yile lingilahlela ngaphandle kanje.
Serious?
Yile lingilahlela ngaphandle kanje. Yalala wena.
Cala uzobhika utanosha.
Yile lingilahlela ngaphandle kanje. No flex fund yangithatha. Ntwana sothola ama-kick ngaphandle namthi khambani boy ngithi uyazi. Bezkwabo. Wayizini arike. Rakastingbeke ndalwena.
Yani.
Arike.
Okay. No, moving on from that, there's something also I want to know, Ane. I just want us like to, okay, says Valangelente Yama beef, Nani. Mfethu, what's going on with T4? Are you guys okay now? Because you guys were busy with my TikTok.
Sengigcine nini beef yami no T4? Yo. Sengigcine kudala. Okay, let me clear everything.
Yeah.
Bafethu, T4 ke mpiyaka bafethu. T4 ke mpiyaka. T4 ke mpiyaka. T4, shout out to boss waka.
Yeah.
Shout out to yabona mina nale out le saringa nje.
Yeah. Kufuneka lento lena. Yeah, because last time it was a different, like there was yabona there was a bit of miscommunication there and there, but now
la out le yangcangwa nami ngiyayincanga.
Okay.
Now uyazi yangithona.
Evule inhliziyo.
T4 sinokushaya video call siringe no T4 no Joma vele sikhulume no T4. Bunga something nyana buma 30 minutes libele sikhuluma sihleka. Angibonise lapha khona nami ngimbonise la ngikhona kube into ebhaya nje.
Into efunakalayo I think like if you guys could and into enza ukuthi ama influencers amanye angagrow because ubani uxabane nobani so akakwazi ukusipana nobani.
And ukutshela ivaro yabona mina the time mina nofezela C2 ayibe sine power.
Yeah ne.
Ayibe sine power. Ayibe sine power.
So you think if you guys could match together nangiyo
energy angeke isafana. Angeke isafana. Mara untwana after lama flop wayenzakala even before it's too late. Yacaba ngathini kuyi ngathi boy hard. Ukenda yonke into like
Yeah,
to bring peace ngathi boy ngicela ungixolele ke if you feel somehow ukuthi kwenzakalani ntwana yamaskisi ngamfonela ncenga ngithi boy hard because I was seeing ukuthi mina naye singa fair boy sayiphusha lady sayiphusha singa fair ngilebele ngithi boy hard naye angawakhipha lawo ma voice note na uyazi ngilebele ngithi hard efezela boy hard ntwana yami hard boy till today until ngaze ngafikela edading leyo ukuthi fuck yangithola fuck.
So yini flop kahle kahle wena mawubheka like usubheka uzozamile ukuxolisa but still
angazi yini flop I don't know.
Maybe I feel like le eyakhe no T4 the reason why ilungile bakwazi ukukhulumisana ukuthi boyithu they were willing to listen yabo manje ngathi akekho ufuna ukumamela omunye manje as he says kadesh ukuthi hare mara yabona akafuni. I feel like if maybe mayengamamela ke ulento awuza ukuthi vele lento le iveli iphele nabo bangaphusha yazi after some time obviously
you won't expect the power fee you won't expect the power besishaya live ithi 2k views sishaya live ithi 2k post video vai singenzi next silibele sizikhulumela nje masiceda sifake isound sipost ivai video singayenzanga next sizikhulume sihlele nje kanje silibele sizikhulumela sipost video sikhulume ivai video now uyazi no
yazi ngicabangani lento le izolunga maybe masingathola ne other side of the story yabo
no ayikho ezolunga nje ngasifuna ukulungisa nix uthinta abantu abangathi
umuntu makakwatile uzigwadele yena uzaba right angazi nini it's for him
alungisa inkinga
sengcingile ngicedile nongibhekane nefuture yami kuyabalata no awuna chance yeah.
Okay, moving on from that Jomo mfethu wena boloko poster usima angazi kangaka uposter kangaka usima mfethu wena
yo kaningi nje miyo
profile
cabanga
status
Instagram what was going on ukuthole kanjani vele what happened like wakwakutext wakwakufollower like what happened like ukudiscover kanjani
so bama last day kanje so lokuthi uqala itrend yokuthi Jomo ubuye ekhaya Jomo ngiyakuthanda okay qale intombazana lo trend le I don't know why iqalile lonto le after lapho ngibona usimi ingene in 2 days ngiyambona sengifaka profile pic okay fade shuthi ke ugela ngithanda shuthi okay vele ngibele ngiyathandeka na vele ngiyathandeka yeah okay yeah usima okay njami leso sikhathi lesa bengajola naye but now sefana nebi expired
sizocancel wala
we are getting cancelled now
Jomo
kanjani manje mfethu Jomo
damn
angeke uzofika uzongithuka mina
ukuthukile
uzothiwa the most respectful guy like umjita abamhlonipha uzomthiwa kanjalo kimi abantu bajeselwa naye emfaka lapha ngibona ngiblock
so yele alita to that extent
bro like ungiblockile mangase search account yakhe nge account yami ngabona ukuthi ungiblockile
but manje ngithi she was banned I think
So
something on that previous account maybe on that
previous account
yeah so sima manje ufana njenge BA bolile kimi so now I got a new crush
Thando ayisad
le ngane yangibusisa boy
okay ngifuna ukubuza something mina ke yini eyenza ukuthi usima aqala ukukuthuka what happened
like boy mina ngihlala emaqinisweni nje ngiyacava umuntu uma ngifuna ufuna attention yami
okay
ngeke nje ami the sentombazane yakufuna influencer ngeke ngayifuna attention yakho
uzoyifuna
ngeke ngakufaka profile pic just efuna so attention yakho
uzokungifaka
okay so into engirealizeile usho ukuthi khona uGoslob into engamnikeza zona mina engiza nayo shuthi boy this guy I got an aura njami akekho umuntu ongizonda la South Africa ngiyabathanda
bu
boy akekho umuntu
cabanga ipiece job yabaqala mimi ngiwasha imoto nyana
boy
something
boy ngibambe washa imoto kame promete ikhala amaqiniso nje yami if ubhedwe uyabheda if ubolile ubolile so now ngikhuluma iqiniso ibhiya ebolile uthando okay fede even mathi sangimtholanga it's fine it's just a period of time ukuthi ngimtholanga isikhathi mhlambe lese njalo
awuzomthola
yeah ngiyacava ukuthi ngizomthola sengiyasho nje sengiyabeka nje njalo sometimes ukuthanda nomuntu isikhathi singakobe isona yabo so Thando
Futhi.
The only cupcake that matters in South Africa is waiting for you, the Super United. Wala mntana ka. Oh. In the meantime angidlala na FYP ngiyama. Okay. Nale Mikey it's ehlisa uma okay. Ngiyahlisa. So jama ngibona FYP yami jayami. Like nga crazy because ayikho intombazane mina njalo so vita ngihlanye ngayo. Amangihlanye intombazane there's something unique about you. Because mina boy mina I know I'm the trophy. I'm the superstar. And into engithanda ngala ntombazane uclean. Ngiyayithanda. Awazomthola ebifa nomunye umuntu. Nanti ngithanda ngala ntombazane into ngizomthola. And ngizomthola.
Waba focused kanje.
No, I'm listening, dog. I'm listening.
Welcome to Mepo Media.
Okay. Sesoyivala nje. There's something I just want to ask you, gents, ane before sijampela kweka Chimashiko.
Sure.
There's something that I just want to know from you guys. Would you love your girl more than your mom?
Never.
Never.
Why? We can't. Ma lady le yena ntlise mo lefatsheng. Ma lady.
It's not even about ukuletha emhlabeni.
It's about what?
Like in life ne as umjita it's tough guys. And umama is always there like
But even your girl can be there.
nah.
And your girl anga console.
In this generation futhi.
And your girl anga console ngento mamako that can console you.
Asinandaba thina ngaleyo nto. Hawu. Oh, but I'm just saying in this generation futhi manje sasacabangile nje in this generation yethu never. Never.
Andy, enye into njami angisoze ngathemba umuntu esifazane over like ifamily yami abantu engihlala nabo.
Phela yacaba siya iva difference futhi. Intombazane amanye amantombazane like ungenza iflop ne akujikele akreplace. Oma lady yokureplace ngani.
Yazi engqondweni intombazani like intombazani ibhala phansi. Noma ungayenza into rock uzoyibhala phansi athi ukuxolelile but it will always be there. Umzali uyakuxolela. Umzali uzokuxolela izodlula umzali. Yazi
So like it's like they've got a list where they write these things.
Sonke la we've said something ebhlungu to umzali. Maka namanje basasithanda. Ugeli ngathi uyakuthanda mara uzibhale phansi. Ugeli ngathi umngani. The minute bamuphi podcast bengaletha ugeli wakho omunye la engathini ngathi.
Yabo.
Zonke lezazinto aziyaphuma la. Awuwa.
And that's why phuma khona izinto zokuthi you are 2 minutes noodles. You are this, you are that.
Usiso lo chamela umbheki.
Yabo.
Mageli.
But akayazi nembo ngiyamfakela.
Yabo. Macabanga uma olady angakuhlaza kanjalo ebantwini.
Like umama would never do that guys. She would never do that to mama ko to ebantwini. I don't think she would. Mara ugeli.
But now, you know what contradicts everything into everything lahle out. Then what happens to this bro? Good lento lena isenzeka ne. But there was this thing that was happening over the years. Uthole ukuthi umntwana omncane ushiwa next to or I think you've also read about this even at schools. Uthole umntwana bamshiya edustbin omncane. Ushiya umama. Then what happens then? Yini what went wrong there?
I feel like abanye abantu they are not ready to have kids yabo. It's a bad choice ukuthi ulahle umntana umfake edustbin. Give it to someone who would love a kid as much as yabo. Ukumshiya edustbin ku wrong. But I feel like that person wasn't ready ukuba umzali. And nabo in a way ilento lebesikhuluma ngayo earlier on in the show mayisaqala ne abazi ukuthi bavalela ama blessings kanjani by doing that.
Yeah boy.
You never know. Thola ukuthi umntana wakho was going to be the next guy okiri cancer. You are going to be something better than what you were before ubamzali. Cabang. Ene bona bakhetha ukuyishare dustbin leyo nto le. So I feel like lento le abayenza abantu mabenza wrong lento le yazi. What do you guys think?
No. I mean wrong.
Mina njami fairly wrong in the same time in the future uzothola is into right. You know why ngithola is into right? Because bazoxoxela abazali somdala yonke lo phela izokugruma uthi ube strong ube la like ipain njami iyona into edala ukuthi ube lo muntu oyena like
Fact.
feel me bro like
But there's two sides of every story as. Thola ukuthi somehow abanye mayenzakala lento bayabasiza cause abazali bakhona thola ukuthi bazoba abusive mabekhula bayenza izinto ingane bamenza izinto engamele zenzo kingane. So it always works out in two ways.
sure
But for now we're focusing ukuthi wrong, yabo.
Yeah, because you don't know what's the actual reason why they did that from the first place. Yeah, but thola ukuthi omunye mhlambe vele akanandawo yokuhlala so vele she's at the point whereby thola ukuthi futhi she was even raped.
Ish.
God
Yeah,
forbid.
fact.
Yeah, but thola ukuthi she was even raped so like no baba umntwana akamazi so like there's no one like who's gonna help her like to take care of the kid. Yeah, but so ziningi izinto ezihamba like that goes into her head ezimenza ukuthi abe like you know what, the best decision here is to do this. Yeah, but
Yeah.
because we've had but those stories now as I say even now
I'm just saying.
none of that happens now as I say those things they used to happen back then.
Yeah.
Back
There were
then
so many cases
beyenzakala manje it's rare abantu abalahla
abantu bayithanda teenage pregnancy manje.
phela manje kufana nemali gcineni ukudopa ngemali
yo hayi
Cela nilahle imali hle.
gcina izolo
Sanicela.
tulahla ngitshele
Like
gcina izolo
Scandi
ngicoshe
man.
ngithi clip mina izolo
never baba angeke even at school it was very simple ukuthi udope ngemali enye into that I've noticed you see thina siphuma esigela ne mfethu mina mangibheka manje like mangicheck ay ngabe umuntu ofunda nabantwana abangaka mfethu angenze kahle ngaphuma esikoleni phela uthola abantwana base high school mfethu bangaka
Ibancane bamanje.
Tsotso 14-13 uyabheka ukuthi ufuna ninganyekini incane futhi shit.
But did you see ukuthi education yamanje ni
Hayi ngakhuluma nge-education
is
something
the more have you
ngakhuluma
ever seen that
nge-education
like knowledge yayehla? Have you ever seen that like manje ingane seziye esikoleni Monday to Sunday
Silver
Bro like
boy
damn nigga
you can't
okay to see skip
ayikhona hali
boy not education
sinakhuluma indlela kwenza imali
something mfana buma forex nyana sibe sincenga something bad way high education boy you can't boy
awunje mfethu people were coming for you but you wena sesoyivala nje people were coming for you but wena une drama ukhalelana for uJim phela wena you made a video crying ukuthi Jim Mashego is arrested washo kwacima people were coming for you but why were you doing that in they don't understand ukuthi what was happening asiba address manje ukuthi kahle kahle bekwenzakalani la
hayi le mangikhuluma ngoJim Mashego ifuna ngikhumula iskipa yabo
nangu ke lo masilve engimaziyo mina every day hlezi khumula iskipa le ma video
it's a secretary wethuko yabo damn it's in question VMC yazi ngoJim Mashego
no ngithi mina there was this video eyakho because iqale like the most trending video that trended it's the one ukhalela ukuthi uJim Mashego boshiwe because people couldn't understand ukuthi why like bokhala ngale ndlela le abanye abantu abazi ukuthi relationship enayo or whatever they don't know what's going on abanye baba like alo ufuna attention ngoJim Mashego not knowing ukuthi what's going on
yani angazi ngicale kanjani mara uJim Mashego nje yami ngithona uJim Mashego ke mpyaka
umazeni inontanga siqale la
I think ngoma last year G galeke mo follow G galeke mo latella anthola yonke into ujibe kayenza bengihlezi ngibhekile angithola G inspired me a lot Jim Mashego inspired me a lot njengoba ngibona ngirasa kuma video maybe if I promote a song ngithola ngitepi na rona itswile in those things I took them from Jim Mashego ngithola I saw ukuthi lezi zinto lezi zikheji ngithola Jim Mashego makazishazi yahamba ngathi siyacava khamba Silver just try ukushaya ivideo 1 ubone ukuthi what will happen ngithola ngacala ngashaya ivideo 1 ya trend ngabona ngathi lama video mosayavaya mosiva ngacala ngabona ngathi shukuthi le out le yapush ngacala ukuba inspired da ngithola ngacala ukumfollower da lo mjita lo ngilebele ngibheka yonke into ayenzayo G yonke into ayenzayo ngithola mina no G sacala ukukhuluma boma last year la ngicale ngakhuluma no G khona ngithola sacala sakhuluma ngama Instagram la lokuzana konje bizwana video call sicale sikhuluma boss waka ya boss waka angeke ngikhuluma izinto eziphaya la kuma angithola saqala sakhuluma boss wakhe even before Scorpion Kings even before Kiwa da sakhuluma nochi angithola ngari nguchi yangitshela bengine gig that day uchi Mashego angitshela athi Poison ngicela ufike da angithola
PTA
yeah lapho ngine gig eFree State Free State Chi Mashego angitshela athi Poison ngopho fihle ko Scorpion Kings what ngafeel ipressure ngathi ngikansela igig yenze ngiyabona manje sengisemaphakathini manje ngithi yo kuzwenzakala ngathi makantwana yami you can do this cala egigini cala ngagika ngayi PTA ngatshela no driver ukuthi hey ngithembisa inja yami ukuthi ngizobe ngida futhi ujima ngimshayela i-video call ku Instagram akayibambanga ecaleni ngamshayela i-video call akayibambanga ku Instagram after boma 5 minutes angifonela manje ngiyabona tebo jima shekho ngithi hayi manje inja yami ngalight ifone ngayiphendula fast mangithi uhleli la kula masiti wase stadium ida uhleli da ngathi bekusese mina ngithola uhleli no flex ungambuza ngale day uhleli no flex bakurelex boyi2 ngathi boss wakhe intsanga lapho ngisasekhaya boss wakhe intsanga mona la kwafihla unaka boma 12 angithola uthi boma 12 yasemini manje ngiyabona 12 yasemini mina ngivaye indoda ngiyema Free State kanjani ade mona ufihla boma 12 yase yamuthirare ngataska wara klafile ngacala gigini ecala ngathi gig ebusuku futhi ngavaya ngitshela driver yami fast safika nase stadium angakaperform ngathi yes mangicela ngifika kuperform abophori into ezibhaya la I think bekusaperform uphori no Too Short bastrata ngithola baceda ukuperform mabaceda ukuperform la ida ngashaya ivideo khona ke fihlile phori in leso sikhathi bekusese ngabo 12 da angisakhumbuli kahle yangithola after ngicela ukushaya lo video ngayiposta ngabo 4 angithola ngayiposta ngabo 4 ekseni mangivuka ethi 100k views ngathi yo fast kanje so the reason I was crying I think uyayithola reason yakhona manje awuyitholi angazi
hayi qhubeka
yeah iyo sengigcinile nongicedile
ukuthi untanga like
yeah
there's that fatela vele like for yena
bengabelieve nokuthi uthathwa amagata la bengayibelieve that cause emfana bengihead Jima Shego kancanga njalo kurapa fucked up ngithola yamane ngamancanga jiko ncanga wathatha boss wakhe
and it's my boy he's come back did you saw he shook the internet that guy is a beast yo
mfana jiki power jo
noma guy it's my boy phela he trended phela da ngithi phela remember leyo ukuthi aboshwe utrendile like phela they took him like forcefully remember with lapho vele anyway like uzotrend regardless uzotrend but mase ubuya so ushaya ivideo wena the trend ikuwe manje ukuthi are you gonna trend or not now I trended
the trend le yakhipha khona ama files
the trend when he came back he was like I know
thank you guys for the support
yes now I'm better
I saw it
that one
I think bengine kick it was welcome isahlangana noji lapha
yeah football
kukuphi lapha
ngisazi
khona ivideo yami ngiyipostile nginoJima Shego da ni check kada I think bekuse Free State angazi kuphi ngizona mina bengingamboni beka somewhere angazi ekhoneni bengingamboni mina bengena fede beso performa nathi da ahlele khoneni ngizona ngimo nyawuzwa khona umuntu omemezayo man Masilva yangithola hey man the time ngithi ngibona idayi blonde ngithi man okijiwo noma mangathi ngathi le awuthamele ngiyagijimela hayi ngayigijimela ama bodyguard azama ukungivimba yabatshela ukuthi miyekeni hayi ngafika mangifika lapha kuyangihaka mana sakhane bomba ngazi 2 minutes or in usabambana mina nenjami kakantshaka G power ngathi G athi Masilva ngathi Mashego athi Masilva ngishayile le video icheckela ku TikTok ngathi G athi Masilva angithola sijabulelene blind ngitayi le nja yami ngabona ukuthi energy yami nalo mchita lo it's on another level ebengathi sibhema amanye ama tracks asirasi kanti hayi lento isegazini yangithola lento isegazini ngabona ukuthi le outhi le yangifatela naye belibona content yami ku TikTok ukuthi le outhi le yaphusha nami the way bengimbona ngakhona le outhi le yaphusha same thing yangithola so yeah that's why bengikhala lapha that's why bengikhala ngithi hayi angeke
because inja yakho yakwenzakala kuyo lento le
angeke can't happen with Jima Shego can't happen with Jima Shego
then indaba ka Too Short because Too Short he came out now saying hey bayambhalela nokumbhalela uJimashiro allegedly Arabial
yazi indaba ka Too Short angifuna ukuyikhuluma angifuna ukuyikhuluma angihisha le angihisha ka angifuna ukuyikhuluma le
so nontanga vela ishayisana vele nje
mina nobani mina no Too Short vele bezwana besifunelana nokufunelana angifuna ukhipha ezibhayi like ngiringe no Too Short cala before ngiringa no G ngiringa no Too Short ucala bengiringa no Too Short afeli shayelana nama video call nawe yazi ezinye angifuna ukuzikhipha mfana nami uyazazi shayelana nama video call in how kind in sibonisana ezinye izinto yangithola angeke ngizikhulume la kuma live yangithola bengiringa naye feli naye makabhaye ibuma konje ibizwani equipment bekabhaye equipment angishuthela athi intwana yami ngibhaye equipment efresh inana ngizo-operate angisendela ama picture wawo ngibona nami ngithi hayi yaphusha afidi ungasabi nje aposta nendlu la Pettiskia ngamcongratulate Too Short shout out manje ngiyabona manje zikalwani oG Mashego ngeke bakasebuki ay izimoji power jo olwa no jipa ulwa nami mfethu angeke mfana nake tsama lijiba fethu nake vali ji angeke babuye
ayikhona ha
ayikhona hali nake wakhona light nake tsama liji nake khona enye freestyle engishayile yelokompo bazoyizwa ke masilva kijimile lijimashiro khobuyile
uyayishayela inkompo nawe kahle
bengichatha nje
okay
yeah
because very I feel like you guys like are mostly in love with Linkompo artists especially Lina like elibuka language A level I tried with the
mina yabona le language
interview and now I thought maybe
le language lengikhulumayo ngifunde ku G the reason ngikhuluma boss waka ngifunde ku G
sis
all these things ngizifunda ku G Mashego Buff and Shine from G Mashego
yeah
no G power nayi G nayi power la ufunde yonke into ukuthi so olwa no G ulwa na mangeke mfana angeke mfana
that's why Boliso le DJ lo ya to Jimashiro funa imali yakhe kuye
makame kancane uyaba emepeli jo ona ka tsamala G power jo eMashego manyeke inyoso umfana ko Lodium mfana monyane wa ku scripting ngabe emepeli thaka no manyeke inyoso ay yabe emepeli jo abe mepeli.
Okay. Chom, so Ivala nje outsam.
Sure.
What would you say? Because when I feel like there are a lot of people abangale like at DBN who are scared like to come to Joburg saying like bezama like
rumors
ukuthi iJozi like yapeta Jozi this Jozi it's that in nani when but you took that opportunity and came to Joburg and things are working out good for you dog so there are people out there like abasana lento ukuthi I mean I'm scared to come to Joburg or to go to Joburg but like they want to nabo kuphezulu ama dreams abo like
sure.
other influencers cause like to be honest like Jozi mfana people like lana mfana ungafika lana ungaziwa 2 years down the line now you are known yangithola
yani
2 years is too
it
much.
happens
1 month or 2 weeks or 1 week
konje bothanda ukuthi mangasi super in azenza in
amangayo ni super talent uyazenza
bekathanda ukusho kanjalo la ngicela ama super mangasi super uyazenza
na ube yisuper just straight
uyazenza
so ungathini like dog wena is someone vele osuka khona DBN who took that chance and came this side and funny enough it's so crazy because even Uma Silva is the same situation this guy
from a Free State and a lot changed.
Imagine there are people out there now ababa like Goli I'm scared of it
yazinto engayisho umuntu esekhaya into ufisa ukuthi ufuna ukuyenza cause once ungayenza manje boy uzoyisola boy experience izinto explore emhlabeni what if nje ngosuku le1 uthi uze goal then blow up kwasiba engayishoyo ukuthi ungahlali phansi whatever iphethe ngesandla khula nayo uhambe nayo unga give up know your word ngiphila lento ucanga ukuthi uyiyona ami ngiphila lento ukuthi ngiyona and ngiyiyona ke ekho umuntu azongitshela akekho umuntu ofana ngitshela ukuthi ngiyisuperstar ngiyacava deep inside ngisho ngivuka ekseni ngiyiphatha as superstar.
And then Masilva wena vele like we won here angeke sizwe ngikuthiwa Masilva ku relationship nyana mfethu
relationship
yeah
manje
mfethu wena
ana girlfriend akayo goba a lot yo hayi na bana khoni na ezomjola mara mafuna ukujola buma kune weekly bundle something
Yeah, fana ukhokhe mojola that.
khona be weekly bundles ngayincenga nyana viki after viki isicedile asingayincenga
so leyo kujola full time oyisebenza
ayindaba ugela manginesikhathi eside yangihisha yo
Serious?
ugela nge isikhathi eside indaba ngihlezi ngibhizi yabo manje ugele yo uzokhathala yimi mina uzokhathala nginokubabona Masilva weekend what wena wangizwe
you can
abakuthini
wangizwe wena you can nami angeke sikhona baby
That's
girl
a chance.
mara mina since na last time ngizwakale
Yeah,
yazi baby girl in yajola hayi mara ngayi Thailand ngakinyakela Thailand ngemi weda are baby mami come do that shit with Masilva something
yeah
yeah
but anyway thank you for coming gents
hululu ke hala
yeah ekade simfuna uJomo mfethu yeah
Ah, sorry bafethu.
we were supposed to shoot with him long time ago
I got busy bafethu bengathulani ngixolele. Kodwa ke bafethu befosivale bafethu. Yo, atathando.
Chomo we can't boy
usuthi nje uzofa nje mabe ngamphendula lo muntu lo
Ah, life goes on, bro.
mabe ngathi nje uzoshiya kusho ukuthi athi uthando let's meet up
Boy,
uzoshiya la emhlabeni
bazovuka ngeke
bros before hoes.
sizovuka ngekho
Bros before hoes. Umthetho wami lo njami. Mina ngicabela amajit ami ndeni umuntu esifazane because amajit ami angiphilela every day. Angeke ngikhethe umuntu esifazane over amajit ami. Never.
you would never
When I was
Never
you-
again wash Mandela. Shari angazi wathi. Kodwa ke ngiyanrata shout out to Stick Records, shout out to Super United, shout out to Dennis Skip, shout out to everyone. Tattoo Music, Thief Oli, One Chain. One love of it.
Any message to your ex, Fitz?
Ngijabule la ngikhona. Ngijabule la ngikhona. Ngijabule.
before sivala
Like in a
would
ex-
you nah
what I do what
would you choose a girl over your boys bros over bros over
Bros.
hoes
Over hoes.
yeah which one would you choose
bruh mfethu you know as gents we have like bro codes bro so I would never and I won't lie I would never do that.
Boy.
I would never girls ayizongixolela na never yakhona hala
oh mashiko mtsi akhonala mashiko mtsi akhonala
yeah it can be
yakhonala
ngokuyivala namhlanje
ofuna ukuyivala
Kumele
fana
ukuyivala namhlanje.
ithi ba share ama socials wabo
yes please share your socials guys
batsiba mara abangazi bafethu yeah
on all
yonke indawo enama followers amaningi yami
Okay, mina Facebook ngiyazi nangazi The Real Jomo. TikTok head office The Real Jomo. Instagram The Real Jomo 10. YouTube The Real official The Real Jomo. If ungabambanga usele.
dankonko
Yes, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and share to every single person that you know. Your ex, everyone, guys. Share to everyone, guys. Please go check out every single person here, and thank you so much for watching. Shout out.
we are out
mara re so bethile shout out lo rona
okay unyaka ushapa shout
re
out
batla shapala di shout out to batho ba re tsang best ba video
okay
okay.
shapa di shout out
ke nyaka simolla ka go shout out to Titanic Music, shout out to Tivoli, shout out to Daddy Stifler, shout out to Slick Records ba fethu, and futhi shout out to Kuzukelu, yeah boy. bathi khamba Danko.
Danko. Kuzokhelo.
Sivala kanjalo ke. Nami ngithi same thing. Ngithi shout out to Daddy Steve, shout out to Titanic Music, shout out to Chain Production. Shout out to Tivoli. Wosa ngapha. Wosa ngala. Wosa la. Ngizonibona bafethu. Daddy Steve.
Cameraman ivale lapha.